we know. You have a lot of questions for us. Why is Bollywood going through such a tough time? Which Nepo baby made the most impact? Why does Snehal like every fucking movie? Like every movie? Like not one you dislike? Really? How is that possible, Snehal? How is that possible, Snehal? Welcome to another episode of Our Conversation. My name is Andresh Jacob, joined by
Snehal and Reza.
Abbas moment.
And today we're talking about all the awesome AMA questions that you guys have sent us. We're talking about us, yes.
Yeah.
You guys have been kind enough to send us some AMA questions because we said we would eventually get to an AMA episode. So now, guys, after a full year of doing this channel, we have decided that now is the time that we couldn't think of any other topic. So why not finally come to that
AMA.
awesome AMA episode only for you,
Yes.
you, and you, right
Yes.
there.
And you, मेरे वाले कैमरे में भी.
And you also, yes.
Yes.
Hi. That's how we do it, guys. Big
First,
episode.
we revealed the secret. We were gonna say that Snehal was recording remotely all this while, and we just made it look like he was with us with camera tricks.
Oh, this is also camera tricks only. Snail is in a different room altogether. Yes, correct. And that's how
I've gone home for Diwali, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
In Delhi.
Yeah. We recreated the entire background setup.
Yes.
इस
AI
टाइम
guys.
पे स्नेहल सुतली बम फोड़ रहा है किसी के फ्लैट में.
Oh, flat. चलो good. I thought say something you'll say. कुछ तो. Nice.
मैं बोलना चाह रहा था किसी के घर में रॉकेट छोड़ रहा है, बट वो सुतली बम निकल आया मुंह से.
कोई बात नहीं भाई, मेरी पर्सनालिटी सुतली बम को ही सूट करती है.
Which
मेरी
favorite firecracker?
लक्ष्मी बॉम्ब भाई.
Oh, okay, yours?
कर दी ना mythology वाली बात. Snail can't help himself. All right.
अरे तू अपना बता ना. Your
क्या?
favorite AMA. Your
My-
favorite
Bomb.
firework.
Oh, I'm an anar in bed. Hey.
Bro,
Get
mine actually is an anar. Thanks for ruining it for me.
Yours is actually an anar?
Yeah, an anar.
Not chakli. Chakri?
No,
What do you
Chakri
call it?
Chakri,
freaks
yeah.
the fuck out of my, like, gives me too much anxiety, bro.
You don't like the sound?
Nor the
भाई कुछ बिना
आवाज के भी होती है.
Oh, हाँ, आवाज वाली बिना आवाज वाली भी होती है.
तुमने वो खेला है वो ये नॉर्थ इंडिया में यूपी में होता है सांप की गोली जिसको
Bro,
बोलते
Yeah,
हैं.
वो ऐसा-
of course उसमें वो फट आवाज नहीं आती.
आवाज नहीं आती
I
वैसे
still
बस
वो
look
निकल
सांप
आता है.
निकलता
beautiful,
है
I still
उसमें
find it very beautiful. One of my favorites as a kid, I don't know if you guys had this, was parachute rockets.
Oh, what was this?
You guys didn't have this?
नहीं,
So there were
गरीबों
these.
के पास नहीं पहुंचा.
No. So I'm sure
you just strap a firecracker to a parachute.
No.
and
So
throw it.
little. So what these would be is like regular rockets,
हाँ.
but inside the rocket mechanism would be a collapsed parachute, like a
हाँ.
tiny parachute.
हाँ.
So you would light the rocket, it would go up zoop karke, and then you would see a little parachute come down. Okay, and then as kids you would like follow the parachute and like collect it and all. You guys didn't do this?
No.
Oh,
Was the
man.
parachute also like a जैसे वो lantern होते हैं ना?
Yeah, kind of. You
वैसा,
could see like a
अच्छा,
little
okay.
like agarbatti lit on the parachute down.
जुगनू के
Yeah,
जैसे.
so it would look like a floating thing and all. Yeah,
Nice,
pretty cool.
nice.
Pretty cool. Tell me if you guys know about parachute rockets.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
not
sure.
making this up. I hope, man.
Sure people
Like,
do.
yeah, I just had a dream one day. कि बचपन में ये करता था यार. Oh well. Guys, AMA episode.
Yes.
The big one. Okay.
हाँ, इसमें मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ हमारे पर्सनल जीवन से रिलेटेड सवाल है,
हाँ, जो
मूवी से
भी।
रिलेटेड सब कुछ. तो काफ़ी चीज़ें जो हम लोग शायद मतलब
ऐसे नहीं डिस्कस करते.
हाँ ऐसे नहीं
podcast
रैंडमली
पे,
ना
हाँ.
डिस्कस करे, वो
Yeah.
एमए के थ्रू डिस्कस कर रहे
Okay.
हैं.
So before we get to this,
Yeah.
are there anything happening? Is there anything happening in the world of movies and Bollywood that you guys want to talk about before that?
Yeah, people are hating on Filmfare Awards
People are hating on Filmfare Awards.
for some reason.
I haven't cared about them in a really long time. I can't
हाँ, मतलब
About
remember
people,
them.
yes, I agree. I don't care about much about people.
Yeah.
But dude, 100%, nobody cares about Filmfare Awards. Like a lot
ऊपर
of
से उनका टाइमलाइन भी थोड़ा फक हो गया, पता नहीं
Exactly,
कौन से
yeah.
साल का महीने का पिक्चर को कब अवार्ड दे रहे
So
हैं.
now 23, half of 23 and half of 24 is
Half
included
of 24 and half of 25. 25
Oh,
also, right?
really? I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
पता नहीं.
अब
But
October 25 में कर रहे हैं.
हाँ,
तो
exactly, yeah.
ideally तो what used to actually happen was कि
April, March, right?
Exactly.
हाँ,
Yeah. Beginning
साल
of next
खत्म
year.
होने के बिगिनिंग ऑफ नेक्स्ट ईयर में होता
Yeah.
था.
Yeah, that makes sense.
ऊपर से एज आई सेड हमने पहले भी इस बारे में बात करी थी जब आपने आईफा की बात करी थी दैट शाहरुख इज बैक होस्टिंग.
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक
इसमें भी शाहरुख है क्या?
इस पे भी शाहरुख
hosting?
सो देव रिक्रिएटेड दिस शाहरुख केजो
Saif.
काजोल डांसिंग ऑन कुछ कुछ होता है सॉन्ग एंड ऑल
No,
ऑफ दैट
it was the 30th anniversary of DDLJ. So they danced on तुझे देखा तो ये.
ओ हाँ तुझे देखा तो
ओके ऐसा.
Kejo must have come for a segment.
केजो आके क्यों हक कर रहा था उनको
जो हर जगह हक जाता है. Karan, if you're watching this, we're big fans.
5 मिनट नहीं होते हमारे एपिसोड को और हम किसी ना किसी को कुछ ना कुछ बोल देते हैं
Yeah, Kejo, I love you. Okay.
No, I also love you. I'm just saying you hug everywhere, is what I meant.
और एवरीवन
Or everywhere.
And sorry for hugging on you right now.
So,
बट अगर आपको so अभी फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स का जो बेस्ट एक्टर गया है दैट इज शेयर्ड बिटवीन
Abhishek and
अभिषेक
Chandu Champion.
एंड
Kartik
कार्तिक
Aaryan.
चंदू चैंपियन एंड आई वांट टू टॉक और बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस जो गया है दैट इज आलिया भट्ट फॉर जिगरा
that was what when Filmfare Awards were announced, everybody was like, I want to talk about these awards.
So for some reason, Alia is getting a lot of hate for this Jigra.
या तो दे आर लाइक कि जिगरा वाज नॉट दैट गुड अ फिल्म जिसके
It
लिए
wasn't.
उसको आप फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड
But she was really good in it.
I
See,
like the
she
film
wasn't
also.
really good.
Again, as
Okay.
people said, इसको सब पसंद आता है.
Yeah,
She
but-
was. I prefer her in Jigra than her in Gangubai.
No, what are you
Yeah.
saying, bro?
Yeah.
Not a
Yeah.
chance.
I did not like.
Said one.
Did not like her
You're
in
the one
Gangubai
person who said
or
this, dude.
Gangubai as a movie also. I didn't like.
I liked both. I think Alia was fabulous in Gangubai. That's where I like really started respecting her as an actor. Firstly, and like that on Highway, I think. really
Highway,
good.
yes.
Yeah, and not Gangubai.
No.
Dude, that's bizarre. What you're saying is bizarre.
Yeah, get out of this room.
What the fuck? Jigra is better than Gangubai is unheard
I
of.
didn't say that.
Her acting.
For me, yes, that
Impossible,
also.
dude. I
But
don't
I prefer her in Jigra more than her. in
अगर
Gangubai.
अंतरिक्ष
Not a
अगर
one
ये
person.
पॉडकास्ट हम 10 साल पहले रिकॉर्ड कर रहे होते तो अंतरिक्ष माइक लेके भाग जाता ये
मेरा mic, मैं
बैट
भाग
है मैं जा रहा हूँ
Only the points I like get made.
तू
on this
क्यों चुप है?
podcast.
तू भी दे अपना hot take.
नहीं भाई वो सबको लग रहा है कि मैं हॉट टेक तो देता ही नहीं हूँ
That's become
ये
the
कुछ और बोल
yeah,
देगा.
the
Bro,
popular
but
opinion.
in सड़क 2 I think Alia was the best. ऐसा कुछ बोल देगा.
हाँ
इसने.
सड़क 2 भी तो करी थी उसने Have you seen
Not
सड़क 2?
धड़क 2 guys. I
Not-
mean
हाँ,
सड़क.
मतलब I
I'm
even
not going
I
to.
tried watching it but then I think within 10-15 minutes I was like
Yeah,
bro
that was
this
most
is
people.
भाई,
that reaction.
अगर मुझे
What
ये
happened?
पिक्चर अच्छी लग गई ना तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी तो इससे अच्छा है अभी यहीं पे लेट्स nip it in the bud right now honey.
जो जिस बंदे ने कमेंट किया ना कि भाई कुछ तो नापसंद कर लिया अगर लाइफ में तो
To be fair, he didn't like Metro in Dino. He was very negative on it.
Actually yeah you don't like Metro
मतलब
Indian?
भाई आई डोंट लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ इट्स जस्ट दैट कि जो चीजें हम लोग मतलब आई डोंट इतना क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करता मैं बैठ के बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आई डोंट लाइक
But I think the problem is that Snehal really goes against the grain without meaning
हाँ.
to.
He starts defending things. a
Yeah,
lot.
without meaning to. Like I kind of like Metro Indino. Okay, Snehal did not.
बट मेरे पॉइंट सारे वैलिड थे जो मैंने आपको बोले
हाँ
थे
correct. But
हाँ.
By the way, since then I have
In
also
the
watched it. It was a very okay movie.
yeah, fine.
Yeah,
But
see-
in the comments, people agreed with me more.
हाँ it's fine see
Unfortunately.
I'll tell you why
Unfortunately for me.
I'll tell you Metro in दिनों had great music एंड उसने जो समा बांधा था वो बहुत अच्छा था म्यूजिक जो उन्होंने वो किया वो म्यूजिक से अच्छा था बट अगर मैं और जो उन्होंने टॉपिक्स उठाए ना हर स्टोरी के लिए वो भी बहुत अच्छे थे जो उन्होंने कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स दिखाए वो भी बहुत अच्छे थे बट देन जिस तरीके से वो मूवी पैन आउट करती है वो मेरे को नहीं पसंद आता जिस तरीके से वो डिटेल्स
होता क्या है ना ये ऐसे जैसे इसने बताया ये प्रॉपरली डिसेक्ट करेगा मेट्रो इन दिनों उसको क्यों नहीं पसंद है फिर नेक्स्ट वीक ये सन ऑफ सरदार 2 देख के आएगा
And बोले भाई
और वहां
not
पे भी
bad.
लोग डगमगा जाते हैं
Not
अब
bad.
मैं पिछले वाला इसका वर्डिक्ट सीरियसली लू के नहीं लू
Correct. इसको सरदार 2 अच्छी लग गई.
अरे बकायद फिल्म है बकायद भाई मेरे बाल कितने घटिया लग रहे हैं फक मैंने अभी देखी
टू लेट नाउ वी हैव
भाई
ऑलरेडी
अभी
रोड
इतने सालों के बाद देख रहा है तुमने बात
नहीं भाई ऑटो से आ रहा एनीवे क्यों बात
Yeah,
कर रहे हैं?
let's get
Yeah.
watch all our previous episodes for all these movies and
Yes.
opinions. Today we are here to answer your questions, so let's get to it.
Alright guys, the first question comes in from dude, the biggest person in India. SRK Kabir is the handle of this person.
Okay.
SRK Kabir has sent us a few questions.
SRK कबीर ये स्पाई यूनिवर्स का पार्ट है
हाँ,
थोड़ा सा ऋतिक थोड़ा सा पठान
Correct.
है ना, है ना?
Yes, correct.
भाई क्यों नहीं बनाई अच्छी वाटो तुमने
SRK से बोल रहा है कि
for
कबीर से बोल रहा है?
कबीर से बोल रहा है।
Alright. So SRK Kabir has asked, "Hey folks, I've been following your work since the IBM days. Big fan. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thank you bro
SRK.
thank you
SRK is a fan.
come on the podcast bro
Yeah. So he says a few suggestions and questions. But इसके सब questions ही हैं. Okay. The questions are: would love to hear some movie recommendations, especially if you could dive into popular films of the 90s. So I thought it would be an easy one to start with.
अच्छा okay.
What's a quick recommendations from the 90s? Is there a 90s movie that you guys always go back to again and again? Not Andaz Mapna. Other than Andaz Mapna, because we've talked about Andaz Mapna.
The perfect 90s movie, I think,
Has to
is
be DDLJ, नहीं?
no, I think DDLJ has its own
Yeah.
Recommendation, which we've maybe not
I think
talked about.
that's all.
Sarfarosh is a really good film.
Sarfarosh is a great.
It has a great screenplay, great acting performances. It still holds up many years later. So that's one I keep going back to. Comedy में we can't name Andaz Apna. You know what?
We've talked enough about it. But Andaz Mapna is great. I'm not saying anything.
Dulhe Raja is one I keep going back.
Bro,
to.
love Dulhe Raja. Absolutely love Dulhe Raja.
Dulhe Raja is iconic. And yeah, what about
Sasurji. Sasurji.
भाई दूल्हे राजा का मेरा फेवरेट डायलॉग है जो जब वो कादिर खान गोविंदा को बुलाता है एंड देन गोविंदा आता है कहता है ए सेठ जी बाहर वो 20 रुपये मांग रहा है मेरे पास 100 रुपये आपका 20 रुपये छुट्टा है क्या एंड देन उसको 20 रुपये का छुट्टा देता है वो बाहर जाके देकर आता है एंड देन इज लाइक तेरे और मेरे में पता है कितना फासला है हाँ वो तो अभी देख लिया आपके पास 20 रुपये था मेरे पास 100 रुपये था 80 रुपये का फासला है
Great.
Amazing.
I also love that whole sequence of Kahan Raja Bhoj, Kahan
Gangu Teli, yeah.
Great song, great lyrics to the
Crazy.
song. My favorite lyrics of that song is, "Hey, ना समझना समझ मुझे, मेरी समझ तो तेरी समझ की समझ से बाहर है, बाहर है."
बाहर है
Then and the next line is, क्या? ये मेरे खोलने की हद, ये मेरे खोलने की हद थी.
ब्रो क्रेजी इसका वो भी तो बहुत सही था कि अबे मुर्गी चोर
Johnny Lever.
Bro, Dulhe Raja crazy film, dude.
Crazy.
Like I think hardly Kadir Khan and Govinda have missed when it comes
That's
to
true,
movies,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Hardly.
Yeah.
And like the trio of
Johnny
Kadir and
Govinda.
Govinda.
I heard a very funny thing. I was watching Gursen and Khamba's
Huh.
podcast that he started with his wife.
His
Ismeet.
wife, yes.
Okay, it's called That's Just How We Talk, I think. Or That's How We Talk. One of them is called. Okay, and Ismeet, turns out, is not a Bollywood buff. She's an actor, but not buff per se. So she's talking about, this is gonna be, you guys are gonna face palm. Okay, she goes, I heard about this crazy thing between Amitabh Bachchan and this actor named Kedar Khan. And then Khamba,
What was Khamba's reaction?
And then Khamba has to go literally, this is reaction. He goes, it's Kadir Khan. It was so funny. Very funny. I love that podcast. It's very good. Very, very good.
मैंने तो भाई लिस्ट निकाल ली थी क्योंकि अब ऐसे एकदम से ऑन टॉप ऑफ याद नहीं आती फिल्म I also love Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na. Have you watched Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na? I think one of the most. I think Shah Rukh also says that is his
favorite film.
Shah Rukh Khan film.
Yeah.
Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na. I think one of the most innocent Shah Rukh portrayal. जबकि लोग उसको negative light में भी देखते हैं, of course. There are
woke जनता उसको stalker
But dude,
और
I think most cutest.
It's the best underdog story in Hindi.
Yeah, dude, very good. और end में जब वो जूही चावला का cameo हो जाता है, that is also
a few famous songs also. Like one is आना मेरे प्यार को ना तुम झूठा समझो जाना.
सनम तुझे पाने का
ये था सारा बहाना. उसमें आशुतोष गवारीकर भी है भाई.
हाँ, आशुतोष गवारीकर वो proper role है उसका उसमें.
And then a few more ना.
वो बाइक
क्या
पे
कहूँ वो बना कैसे डॉन.
ये आपका फेवरेट गाना है. हाँ.
काश के हम
ओ ब्रो क्रेजी. वो वाला गाना कौन सा जब वो बाइक पे लेने जा रहा होता है ट्रेन पे उसको.
सच्ची ये कहानी है.
नहीं. पहला गाना जो है पहला गाना है फिल्म का.
Why am I not remembering this?
Fuck, bro, it's one of my favorite songs.
He plays a trumpet on it.
Google पे listed भी नहीं है. सिर्फ 3 गाने listed हैं.
नहीं है.
दीवाना दिल दीवाना.
दीवाना तेरा दीवाना. क्या नाम है उसका? दिलीप तिजोरी. दीपक तिजोरी. हाँ, दीपक तिजोरी.
How many दीवाना शाहरुख songs can you think of? ये दिल दीवाना.
Of course. He was also in a movie called Deewana, right? With Rishi Kapoor.
Was
Rishi
he?
Kapoor, Divya Bharti, and
Yes,
Shah Rukh
you're
Khan.
right.
Wasn't Divana his debut?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, Divana was his
correct,
debut.
correct.
कोई ना कोई चाहिए.
तो बाइक वाला गाना सुना मैं वही
प्यार
सोचने
करने
लगा
वाला.
उसमें फिर एक आइस क्यूब पे भी आ जाता है
Correct. Yeah, great.
कब
yeah there were many
Yes,
many
that
Divana
was-
songs
Many Divana songs.
yeah.
Nice.
Yours?
कभी यहाँ कभी ना.
My,
100%
mine,
one of those songs.
I've talked about.
Sorry, if you do you have more?
Yeah, मैं बोलता रहूँगा बीच में
हाँ,
अगर
ठीक
मेरे
है,
को गाई तो.
Mine will be one of the great. So 90s was the great buddy cop era. I
Yeah.
feel.
Oh yeah.
So like a lot of those Mohra, वो मैं खिलाड़ी तो नाड़ी, गोपी किशन,
Bro.
कीमत, fucking what is that? Ishq also to some regard.
कॉप से मुझे याद आया आर्मी. भाई हम देखिए हमने.
हाँ
हम नहीं देखी मैंने यार.
वैसे तो हम 5 अलग हैं पर जब हम मिल जाते हैं
Oh, Sunny.
हम बन जाते हैं
no
मुट्ठी.
bro
अमिताभ गोविंदा
रजनीकांत
ब्रो डैनी डेंजोंगपा
Danny is the villain
अनुपम
yes
खेर
अरे
विलेन
जुम्मा चुम्मा
जुम्मा जुम्मा वाली फिल्म.
Oh, okay, that's okay. That one. Got.
क्रेजी
चुम्मा
जुम्मा जुम्मा से याद है. अरे अब्बास.
do you remember how the lead into that song is
Yeah.
so the premise is Amitabh in the first part of the
Yeah.
film Amitabh sort of controls one of the ports okay तो वो लोग उसको हफ्ता देते हैं ठीक है so Amitabh has a crush on this one girl
Yeah.
and she says she doesn't have change
तो वो कहता
so
है
then
चुम्मा दे.
Amitabh no picks her up और उसको उल्टा करके
हाँ ओ शिट यस.
तो उसके क्लीवेज में से कॉइन्स गिरते हैं
कॉइन्स गिरते हैं. यस यस यू आर राइट.
Cleavage में से गिरते
the good old 90s yes but Hum is amazing Hum is kick-ass
Yeah, I really like Hum. Also, मतलब there are obviously like the classic हम आपके हैं कौन सलमान.
correct, of
But then we've talked about them a lot. So
Yeah.
like we can. मन देखिए आप में से किसी ने.
Great. Till
not a film that has aged well
the first half is good.
Fair.
Second half is too much Rona Dhona and crying
Drag.
and Manisha Koirala after losing her legs.
Isn't that
Spoiler alert.
one scene
Is
that
she-
went viral अरे ये तो लंगड़ी है or
हाँ,
something like
पर
that
इनके लिए प्रिंस कैसे आएगा. मैम के तो पैर ही नहीं है.
Bro, also love story 1940.
1942 love story
1942
Lovely
love story.
movie.
Jackie.
Great, perfect.
Anil Kapoor,
Manisha Koirala.
R.D. Burman's
And
last
Anil Kapoor also.
soundtrack
Anil Kapoor also.
R.D. Burman's last film as a music composer
Sorry, Anil Kapoor नहीं, Anupam Kher also. Anupam Kher.
अनुपम
also,
खेर.
yes,
यस
yeah,
यस.
yeah.
उसी का तो है वो गाना. एक लड़की
एक लड़की को
देखा
कुछ ना कहो
कुछ ना कहो.
और
Hi,
वो भी
crazy.
जो जग्गू का गाना
कैसे खराब कर दिया हमने इंडस्ट्री अपनी.
ये सफर बहुत है कठिन
नाइस.
So Man, it's so weird, right? You think Man and Dil Chahta Hai, you feel the films are poles apart, must have come like apart from many years. Man came out in 98, Dil Chahta came out in 2001. So Farhan had to delay Dil Chahta Hai for many months
Because of
because Amir didn't have dates because he was shooting Man.
मन.
Oh,
And I was like, bro, दिमाग में सोचो तो
Wow,
कहाँ
bro.
दोनों
bro.
Wow, dude.
Nice.
Can you imagine, like, it's very often that happens that if a actor की dates नहीं मिल रही हैं, the directors move on to other actors.
Yeah,
true.
yeah.
Dil Chahta Hai would have been such a different movie.
But I
almost.
think he wanted initially Akshay Khanna wanted to play the Akash
Yeah,
role.
correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. And I think
ब्रो
Amir-
शाहरुख ने क्या पिक्चरें दी है 90s में भाई.
Bro, yeah.
Bro, enough about 90. That's more than enough.
Sorry. मैं लिस्ट खोल के
क्या
बैठ
कर रहा है
रहा
भाई?
हूँ. What the fuck, bro?
भाई.
How is every film like a banger?
But if you want one offbeat film from the 90s by Shah Rukh, I would say Maya Mem Saab.
Oh,
is
Maya
one
Mem Saab is
that-
nice.
That you can try.
And अगर सलमान की देखनी है तो खामोशी.
Yes.
Which was also Sanjila Bansali's debut, and Bansali always says that I will forever be indebted to Salman, and I will always hold him in highest of regards because he trusted me with a film like Khamoshi.
Okay. तूने
So
देखी है?
the exact opposite of Abhinav Kashyap.
Nice.
सारी फिल्म वो मुझे लौड़ू.
Bro, Abbas, I just realized looks like an Abhinav Kashyap look-alike, dude.
एक बार उसका पेट नहीं
अनुराग
दिख रहा.
कश्यप तो बोलते ही हैं तो मुझे अभिनव भी बोल दो
Abhinav Kashyap बोलते तेरे को?
हाँ
अब अभिनव कश्यप ज्यादा बोलेंगे.
अच्छा काम कब करोगे फिर आप?
This podcast is my masterpiece.
Oh yes, of course.
This is the Gangs of
This
Wasseypur
is
part
the
41.
Wasseypur of your life. Yes.
And
Okay, next
another-
question.
Yeah, another question from SRK Kabir Uni. The second question is, also, could you do a proper Has It Aged Well episode on Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna? That film desperately deserves a thorough revisit.
We have done one. You can check it out. If you didn't like it, hopefully in future we'll
Okay.
But कभी अलविदा ना कहना. What do you feel about the film? I feel
I like it.
Yeah, मतलब
Yeah.
पहले जब starting में आई थी तो I had a few problems with the film, but then again as you mature, as you
I mean,
understand.
I thought I was very young when that movie came out. तेरे टाइम पे तो
हाँ,
और भी
exactly.
और भी
तो जब
छोटा
पहले
रहा
देखी
होगा।
तो मुझे ऐसा लगा था भाई क्या ही snooze fest of a film है. But then
मेरे को अभी पकाओ लगती है.
What are you saying? Sexy Sam? Not interesting for you?
Sexy Sam.
Yeah.
Sexy Sam,
Amitabh Bachchan.
Sexy Sam.
Hey,
And
do-do-do-do.
Rani Mukherjee coming in bondage gear, blindfolded.
bro, and then he goes, "Hey dad, what did you have for breakfast?" Oh, Pooja or something. I don't remember her name. And then he goes,
Bro, early 2000s Bachchan is something we should do an
"Crazy,
episode
bro.
about.
Yeah, bro, crazy. Happy birthday, Bachchan Saab, belated."
Nice. He's having puja at home. Doing puja every day is very cool.
No,
Okay.
he's recuperating from that one kid he had to shoot with on KBC.
Bro, क्यों कर रहे हैं हम उस बेचारे बच्चे के साथ ऐसा? dude? नहीं कर रहे हैं.
थोड़ा कॉकी तो था बच्चा.
अबे
क्या
तो
बोले?
ठीक है यार, बच्चा है वो भाई, 10 साल का
लगा
होगा,
दो
ज़्यादा.
लॉक कर दो. अरे ऑप्शन की जरूरत
तो
नहीं.
10 साल का है
पर
यार.
you can make
It's
fun of cocky
fine,
kid.
dude. He's a kid.
But
उसको स्कूल में कितना बुली करेंगे अब सोचो.
That's true. बहुत बुरी करेंगे.
बेचारा
Bro, I
इतनी
think
में.
वो बुली लग रहा था मुझे दूसरों
भाई अब तो वही होगा ना, अगर वो पहले बुली था भी तो.
That's true. Chalo, next.
Yes.
हाँ.
Next, this one comes in from Gaurav Patil, who says,
Hi, Gaurav.
"Hey guys, a question for you."
गौरव मेंबर भी है ना हमारा.
हो सकता है.
Yes, I feel.
Okay. Hey guys, a question for you. I really like when an actor or director is completely indulgent in their work. It doesn't matter if it connects with me or not. For me, someone like David Lynch or Tarantino with Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, or even RGV for that matter. Is there someone like that for you? Not necessarily your favorite, but someone whose work you're always curious about because of how unique or indulgent they are about it.
So is this a question of a filmmaker I may not connect with, but I look forward to their work?
No, or just any filmmaker who you are like, you really
So
appreciate their commitment.
So for me, that would be Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Same, मेरे mind में भी संजय लीला
But
बंसाली
my
होगा.
thing is, I've said this before also, I don't connect with his films, but
Fair.
I know he's known to be a perfectionist, and you can say this guy is not half-assing it. Like,
He's not
right, that
half-assing it,
he's
that's right.
completely, like, for example, the Netflix show he made,
Hira
Hira
Mandi.
Mandi. Again, very mixed
Yeah.
response from my end. But you can see the scale, you can see that he has gone through every detail of what he wanted to show. So for me, that would be Bhansali. I think someone who's indulgent, and I look forward to it, even though I may not always connect with his work.
My answer was also Bhansali, but now that you've said it, I think I'll go with Neeraj Gaiwan.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Because अभी recently Homebound देखी है तो उसका थोड़ा hangover तो चल ही रहा है मेरे को. But then the fact that he is, I think, committed to a cause,
Yeah.
committed to a thought कि भाई he wants to bring those things जिनके बारे में हम उतना ध्यान नहीं देते, जिनके बारे में हम ignorant हैं, उन चीज़ों को वो लाइमलाइट में मेन स्ट्रीम में आपके सामने बड़े बैनर्स के साथ लाके रखना चाहता है.
Yeah.
आई मीन एज हमने पिछले एपिसोड में शायद बात करी थी कि होमबाउंड जैसी फिल्म को अगर वो धर्मा के साथ बना पा रहा है और उसको जितनी भी स्क्रीन्स मिली हैं विक्ट्री ही है, राइट.
Yeah.
एंड मतलब आई वुड लव टू बी इन अ वर्ल्ड जहाँ पे होमबाउंड को शायद कंट्री वाइड स्क्रीन्स मिले जहाँ पे फुल थिएटर्स जाएं. किसी ने कमेंट भी किया था कि स्नेल थिएटर देखता है क्या, फुल है उसी में जाता है. मैं होमबाउंड में शायद 6 या 7 लोग थे जब मैं देखने गया, तो आई वुड वांट कि वो थिएटर्स फुल हो, देखने जाएं लोग. मतलब आई थिंक एवरी वर्क दैट इज डन इज कमेंडेबल. होमबाउंड हो गया, मसान हो गया, गिली बुच्ची, क्रेजी, मेड इन हेवन वाला जो एपिसोड है उस एपिसोड का मुझे नाम नहीं याद, बट दैट्स आल्सो ग्रेट.
Alright, cool. I would say for me, so right now I'm. So Kunal Khemu has directed one movie.
Yeah, go on.
But I think right now we need like new comedic voices, and he's one of them. So right now I'm very excited to see what he does next. So that's someone whose work I'm looking forward to in the
Yeah.
next 2-3 movies that he does. Hopefully he sticks with comedy. I would really like that. Next is
He's also released this song, no, called Lucce, I guess.
yeah,
So yeah, he's
Loche.
Loche, yes.
Yeah.
So his YouTube page is also a lot of fun to check
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
It's
ब्रो
started
उसके
a YouTube
इंटरव्यूज
page.
कितने फन होते हैं ब्रो, कितने फन इंटरव्यूज होते हैं
Yeah.
उसके.
So I hope.
So I think Kunal Khemu is like can be our version of like the Seth Rogen types, you know, who are funny in interviews, funny to talk to, and also bring that humor into the work
Fair,
that they
fair,
make.
fair.
Yeah.
And another person who the thing is like his last movie wasn't great, Like we've talked about Jigra Vasant Bala.
Yeah.
But I am still very excited to see what he does because I really like his direction. Like he, certain directors have a voice when they direct. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like a Tarantino, Vasant Bala, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, even Karan Johar for that matter.
मैं करण जौहर का नाम
Karan Johar,
लेने
by the way,
वाला
also,
था, हाँ.
yes. Because जो उसकी कंपनी जो कर रही है करण जौहर
मतलब
अपने
करण
साथ
जौहर
ठीक
जब
करता है,
डायरेक्टर
direct
सीट
करता
पे
है.
बैठता है तो
हाँ.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो कहीं पे
Yeah,
but he knows his
I
vibe,
mean,
dude.
so Rocky or Rani full marks, but
Yeah.
films like Student of the Year, even My Name is
Bro,
Khan,
हाँ, you're right,
Hai Dil Hai
that's-
Mushkil, I'm like,
ऐ दिल है
My
मुश्किल
Name
तो
is
बहुत
Khan,
ही
you don't
My
like
Name
it?
is Khan नहीं पसंद थी आपको?
when it came out, I liked it, but the more I've seen it, the more I feel like it's too uneven.
Okay, my name is Khan you're talking about.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, ठीक है.
Can I add one
But,
more name
yeah,
to that?
Vasant Bala,
Sriram Raghavan.
Sriram Raghavan.
Yeah, I think
Again,
his
very
movies
interesting.
are also
Again, he also has a voice.
indulgent. हाँ, has a
Yeah.
voice.
Very clear voice.
मतलब आई थिंक अगर आप किसी पर्पस के साथ फिल्म एज आई सेड आई थिंक पिछले एपिसोड में हमने बात करी थी कि अगर आप लाइक द मोटिव टू टेल दैट स्टोरी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आई
Yeah.
थिंक एज अ फिल्म मेकर ऑल्सो.
Yeah.
तो फिल्म मेकर ऑल्सो क्या फिल्म मेकर के लिए तो सबसे ज़्यादा कि तुम उस चीज़ को उस तरीके से इन्विजन कर पा रहे हो और वो कहानी सुनाना चाहते हो. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वाई फिल्म्स लाइक कांतारा by Rishabh Shetty work
Yeah.
a lot.
Bro, on the other side though, are there directors who you guys have lost faith in?
RGV.
Like Ayan,
RGV, yes.
RGV of course, Ayan Mukherjee a bit,
Ayan,
quite a bit.
for sure.
especially after War 2.
Yeah.
But yeah. Okay, चलो ठीक है, moving on.
I saw Ayan the other day at the Durga Puja Pandal.
Right.
He was there.
पूछा
I
क्यों
was-
नहीं तुमने उसको War 2 के बारे में?
भाई क्या करने का ना यार. ऋतिका वॉर 2 का लास्ट वाला फ्रेम इतना सही है ना जब वो उस लाल उसमें स्माइल करता है वो फ्रेम से ही आप पूरी पिक्चर बना सकते थे दैट मेनेसिंग थिंग. बट चलो कोई बात नहीं.
In case you
बीत
didn't know,
गई सो
Netflix
बीत
पे War
गई.
2 आ चुकी है.
हाँ देख लो. मतलब मत देखो शायद.
Okay.
But अरे
Next set of questions come from Televi. Okay?
Televi.
Yeah, Televi. It says, hi, keeping this to the point, I know Abbas will appreciate that. My questions are as follows. he just said
I do.
questions.
I appreciate, bro. Bro, sis, whoever you are.
What topics are expected in the next few eps? भाई हमें पता है. तो हम ये एपिसोड नहीं कर रहे होते भाई.
So we'll try and do a Thama review
Yeah.
if time permits.
Yeah,
and
for sure.
situations permit.
So we should tell you guys how we think of episodes, okay? सुबह एक स्नेहिल का मैसेज आता है कि भाई आज एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड करते हैं क्या
भाई
क्या
आज
बात
नहीं
करें.
किया तो फिर मोनेटाइजेशन
हाँ.
का फायदा नहीं
भाई
होगा.
आई स्वेयर
Yes.
क्या ये बताना चाहिए क्या हमें सबको.
So what do we
being
think of?
frank.
Then the entire day goes in brainstorming topics, and then we have about just about an hour to think about those topics.
आई स्वेयर ब्रो.
Whatever is decided about.
नहीं, for full day on text we are brainstorming.
Yeah.
Then we
Yeah.
are supposed to meet here at 9 p.m. So obviously we come here by 10:30.
And then we start
and then
at,
we look at each other like तो क्या record कर रहे हैं यार?
and then we always find problems with the topic is already been
या जो
decided
हमने
upon.
सोच रखे थे.
हाँ, तो then we come up with a all together fresh topic.
A new topic, yes.
Yeah. And then we're like, हाँ, इस पे बात कर सकते हैं. Which is exactly how we're doing the AMA episode.
But that's also because the industry that we're talking about is so
Fragile.
मतलब कुछ भी कभी भी क्या ट्रेंड हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है ये सब चीज़ें हम गेस भी नहीं कर पाते ना. लाइक अपार्ट फ्रॉम मूवीज एंड मूवी रिव्यूज
Yeah.
हम लोग सी अगेन यूट्यूब टॉपिक डिस्कस करना है टॉपिक डिसाइड करना इट्स अगेन मैंने पहले भी आई थिंक कमेंट में रिप्लाई किया था कि हम लोग 10-15 मिनट का वीडियो नहीं बनाते. हम लोग घंटा 1.5 घंटा का
it is
डिस्कशन करते
something
हैं.
that will invite debate, invite
Exactly.
discussion.
तो-
that is interesting to listen to.
Yeah.
So it can't just be willy-nilly, you know.
Yeah.
It has to be a lot, like a topic that invites a longer discussion on it.
एग्जैक्टली
Of course.
थोड़ा रूम ऑफ डिबेट हो
Yeah.
जाए और फिर उसके
Like
बाद
sometimes, like you will notice, we don't always review single movies. Also, we
Yeah.
combine movies because of that exact thing. Because we want to give you a longer episode, which is again worth your while.
एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज वी आर अ ग्रोइंग चैनल तो हम लोग ये भी कोशिश करते हैं कि हर एपिसोड के साथ हम लोग SEOs हिट कर पाए. एंड देर आर सो मेनी टाइम्स कि अब कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि कोई मूवी नहीं रिलीज हो रही कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा बॉलीवुड में तो फिर हम लोग कोई एक नया टॉपिक सोचना पड़ता है. देर आर सो मेनी टाइम्स एंड वी डोंट वांट टू रिव्यू फिल्म्स वेयर वी रियली वांट टू टॉक अबाउट सम अदर थिंग्स. वी वांट टू टॉक अबाउट कि हमारे पहले क्या देखा होगा ज़माने में या किसी डायरेक्टर के काम को डिसाइड करना या एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. बट देन ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स ऑल्सो SEO ऑल्सो प्लेज a big role.
By एक तो if you can help us with this.
Oh bro, the song topic.
We have been
Oh,
trying
I
to
swear.
crack something in the music space,
Yeah.
like cross song space, an episode topic that where we can just talk about a love for Bollywood songs and
Songs,
music.
dude, yeah.
The thing is, we are whatever topic we end up coming out with, the problem becomes that we'll just keep agreeing the entire
Yeah.
episode with each other, which
Yeah.
is not what we want, which is
Yeah,
a boring
yeah.
episode. If we just keep agreeing and don't have interesting takes or opinions
True.
or contradictory opinions therein,
Yeah.
it makes it a very stupid episode.
Yeah,
So we don't
there's-
want
there's-
greatest songs of all time.
We can do a
Which is-
versus,
which
no?
is
Like Sonu Nigam versus Udit Narayan. Who's better?
अब तो सोनू निगम ही
Yes.
बोलना पड़ेगा उसे.
No, strictly separate the art from the artist.
Okay.
But Sonu
next-
Nigam, I think, is the all-time great when it comes to our generation, at least.
Oh, that's gonna be a question, by the way, also when it comes.
Acha, is it?
I mean,
Okay.
I don't know if it's this person. Okay, in one of the other people, one of the other questions we'll talk about. Anyway, the next question from Telebi is, who came up with the recast episode idea? One of our favorite and most fan favorite episode ideas. Was it really you?
Yes, bro.
Yeah, it was,
at
yeah,
IVM,
pretty good.
क्योंकि
Pretty
आप लोग तो अपने अपने मतलब आप
हम
वो
लोग
कर रहे
इन
थे,
format
जस्ट
set
फिल्म
थे,
कर रहे थे,
हाँ.
आप हैजिट कर रहे थे, तो हम लोग बेसिकली ये डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि हाउ टू गिव अ फॉर्मेट टू
Nice, yeah.
पॉपकॉर्न. उस टाइम पे IVM पॉप, राइट?
Yeah.
तो पॉप रैप IVM
Pop
पॉप
rap.
तो चैनल था. हाँ.
Pop rap,
तो
Yeah.
वी वर ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट कि हम लोग क्या फॉर्मेट दे सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट कॉन्वर्जेशंस, राइट? जैसे उनका गेम एक फॉर्मेट है, वो पुरानी पिक्चरों को देखते हैं कि आज सही जा रही है कि नहीं जा रही. हम लोग कॉन्वर्जेशंस पे चल रहे थे, तो तब इन लोग ने बोला था कि तू कुछ सोच कि हम लोग क्या फॉर्मेट
Like
दे
what's
सकते
a
हैं.
repeating
Yeah,
like a format that we can
एक
repeat?
सीरीज जो हम कर सकते हैं.
series like a
देन
series,
आई
yeah.
केम अप विद अ कपल ऑफ सीरीज.
Yeah.
वन वाज रिकास्ट, द अदर वन वाज द विश लिस्ट
Wishlist.
एपिसोड्स.
Both which we still do.
We still do
Recast episode coming soon.
coming soon. We
Let
are
us, let us know which movies you want us to recast. Actually,
या प्लीज हमने पीछे कुछ डिसीजन लिया था कि हम लोग रिकास्टिंग एपिसोड्स को थोड़ा फन करने के लिए, जैसे जैमी के साथ हमने किया था, वील ट्राई टू इनवाइट
dude.
वी विल ट्राई टू
Yeah.
इनवाइट अ स्पेशल गेस्ट फॉर एवरी रिकास्ट एपिसोड, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू डू अ रिकास्ट एपिसोड सिंस जैमी's एपिसोड.
Man, I would say that's one of the most fun episodes I think we've done.
Yeah, fair.
And if by chance you've not seen that episode, the
Yeah,
Jamie
please go and
recasting
watch it.
episode, please go and watch it. It is impossible
Yeah.
that you will not like it because it's such a fun episode.
विश लिस्ट वाला सीरीज से लाइक द टाइम द डे दैट आई केम अप विद द विश लिस्ट वाला सीरीज, उसके 2 हफ्ते बाद मैंने कंपनी छोड़ दी थी.
जाते जाते थे
जाते
गिफ्ट
जाते
दे
wish
गया
list दे
ये लो ये करो.
Okay, and the next question is related to this, which says, which has been your favorite non-recast and recast episode so far? So like एक non-recast and one recast episode, IVM episodes included. It says. But we don't
Oh.
know.
So
Okay.
I think recast episode to has to be Jammy.
Jamie.
Yeah.
Yeah, has
Which
to
is
be a collective
the Sholay
consensus.
recast.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
Sholay
the Sholay
recast.
recasting.
Iconic film. Great
guest.
guest.
I said mostly sane.
हम तो best.
So
Mostly
mostly
saying
नहीं,
Rebel Kid.
Rebel Kid should
As
be
Basanti.
Basanti.
बसंती है.
Mostly
छी.
I
and
think our Avengers recasting was also fun. Where
where
Vikrant
Vikrant
Massey was
Massey-
Captain America.
Cap
मोदी.
Captain India. अब तो हो सकता है भाई. अब तो है. अब तो
कैप्टन
वही है
इंडिया
भाई.
की कास्टिंग के लिए किया है वो.
मोदी है तो मुमकिन है.
मतलब मुझे at this point पता है, this is not even a dig at the campaign or like the leader or anything. It's just like the conviction with Vikrant Massey is like
Bro, वो हर रोल में conviction
Bro,
इतना
I
देता है ना.
swear. And
He
he's
goes
so-
into the role, man.
he's so happy about it.
Yeah. That's why Vikrant Massey is the blanket casting for every casting possible, man.
मतलब
For
अगर आप
everyone.
उस क्लिप में अरशद वारसी और विक्रांत मासी को देखो तो वो ऑपोजिट स्पेक्ट्रम्स पे खड़े हैं इस टाइम पे.
Yeah, correct. Very good.
Avengers is
And,
also good. The non-recasting, I think hidden gems. I think we do a very good hidden gems episode.
Yeah.
They are not as fun, but then they are very, I think, like the love for cinema that all three of us share,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
The love
yeah.
of films. That is where see funny होना, क्योंकि 1.5 घंटे तक आप सीरियस बातें क्यों ही सुनोगे ना हम लोगों से.
Yeah.
और हमारा नेचुरल प्रवृत्ति जो है वो फनी ही है. तो आई थिंक हम लोग अनपॉपुलर ओपिनियंस, ओवररेटेड और इन सब में वी ट्राई टू गेट टू द फनी पार्ट मोर.
So, for me, I would say that. Sorry, you say something.
हाँ, मैं बस ये कह रहा था, लास्ट लाइन वाज कि हम लोग बट द हिडन जेम्स एपिसोड, आई थिंक वी एक्चुअली शेयर व्हाट वी watch,
And we want people to watch,
what we
yeah.
want people to watch and what we want the industry to make more
Yeah,
films
yeah.
like. ठीक है, so if you haven't checked out our hidden gems episode, you can please go and check them out.
I think our some of our most fun episodes are episodes where we are talking about a movie that we did not like. Okay, because then we get to shit on the movie, especially like if you saw some of our recent Janhvi Kapoor movie episodes,
What the fuck,
like
bro?
Param
Hey,
Sundari.
Homebound was really good.
No,
Okay.
but yeah, that episode was coupled with Sunny Saskari Tulsi Kamari. So what are you talking about? Okay, so some of these episodes are damn fun to do because we at the entire episode are laughing our asses off. So the intention is that if we are having such a good time,
Yeah.
the viewer will be having a good time, as
too.
well.
I want to add one more. The episode where we reviewed the Salim Javed documentary,
That was
the
a-
Amazon
fun.
series.
Amazon
I think that
series.
was also a lot of fun.
That was actually one of the first episodes that we did here.
yeah. Probably the first one.
The first episode,
yeah,
क्योंकि उस
yeah.
टाइम और उस टाइम पे लाइट्स वाइट्स
मैं कुछ
अंधेरे
नहीं
में
किया।
किया था
Oh, ऐसा क्या?
हाँ अंधेरे में किया था वो
Oh, you're
एपिसोड
still
हमने
figuring out lighting.
हाँ
Man-
पहला ही एपिसोड था वो
Yeah,
इधर
I took so many weeks to figure out lighting in this room.
Yeah, and
अभी
as
भी
you can
perfect
see
नहीं है
now,
light.
but it's still good dude like
people are like flat lighting.
we've not we've actually you've made a good place out of this small
dude,
place.
Also, I remember there was a time, abhi recently, where that whole Hera Fairy 3 fiasco happened.
Yes.
Oh yeah,
And we
yeah,
did an
yeah.
episode talking about Paresh Rawal and Akshay Kumar.
Paresh
That
Rawal
was
is in,
very
Paresh
fun.
Rawal is out.
Yeah,
Paresh
that
Rawal
was
is in,
very fun.
Paresh Rawal
हमने
is
वो
out.
वो एपिसोड भी किया था ना हमने परेश वो अक्षय कुमार की वो रैंक करना वो भी तो अच्छा था
Yeah,
यार
the ranking
Akshay
हाँ
Kumar
the rank
movie.
the rank
Comedies,
Akshay Kumar, yes.
comedies, Akshay
That was
Kumar.
also nice.
The-
We should do that.
क्या कहते हैं टूर्नामेंट किया था
हाँ
जो,
टूर्नामेंट
versus-
किया था अच्छा था वो फन था कर सकते हैं आप बताना आपको वो फन लगा था तो हम करेंगे दोबारा
Then there was one more episode that I really remember fondly was just before my wedding. Snehil, Kirti and I
oh
did an
yes
episode about
songs.
No.
about what movie characters are the most marriage material.
Oh.
yes
Okay.
and just
Again,
by
we
the way
laughed a lot
अभी
in
जो
that.
इससे पहले हमारा क्वेश्चन था कि आप टॉपिक्स हाउ डू यू कम अप विद टॉपिक्स उस दिन हमने सॉन्ग्स वाला एपिसोड 45-50% रिकॉर्ड कर लिया था एंड देन इन द मिडल ऑफ द एपिसोड
You were
कीर्ति
like,
को
यार, we are just agreeing with each other.
फन नहीं
Same
हो रहा
problem.
मजा नहीं आ रहा एंड देन ऑन द स्पॉट
Yeah,
वी
you're
चेंज्ड
right.
इट एंड वी वर लाइक कि चलो
Nice.
मैरिज मटेरियल करते
Came
हैं
up with a much better episode.
Yeah.
actually, yeah. So देखो ये भी करते हैं हम. This has happened multiple times. by the
Multiple
way,
time, multiple times.
Where we will start recording something
We have
and realize
scrapped
कि it's
entire
not.
episodes.
एंटायर एपिसोड
We
ब्रो
have,
हाँ
absolutely.
हमारे YouTube उसमें पढ़े हैं कि वो रणवीर वाला भी तो
Yeah.
Yeah, very true, very true. All right, cool. Okay. Last question that I would like to talk about from Televi is which upcoming movie are you most looking forward to?
oh none bro
Yeah, what is coming?
What is
for
coming up,
Hindi
dude?
film in the
Nothing
what
major.
Christmas में कुछ है बड़ा?
I don't think so, bro. Like I was really excited about War 2, वो हक दी.
Like,
फिर
dude,
उसके बाद I was
would-
really excited about.
I'm gonna watch Thama.
I'm not excited about Thama.
I'm not that excited, but I'm gonna
Same.
watch
I
it
know.
for
I know.
sure.
वो तो मैं देखता तो मैं हर
Yeah.
पिक्चर हूँ.
And
तो I think.
I'm actually, like, ever since Kantara, right? I think that Kantara's trailer also people had problems. They decided it was very underwhelming, and the movie
Turned out
went
to be
beyond the
great,
trailer
Yeah.
in leaps and bounds. I think maybe they are creators now in Bollywood are trying to take that route where the trailer
क्या
is
we
underwhelming.
will deliberately
underwhelm-
release
An
bad trailers.
underwhelming trailer
Okay.
and
No.
leave the best moments and the best stuff for the
No.
movie. Who knows? Probably not.
That Ranveer Singh film, if it releases this year,
धुरंधर.
Dhurandhar.
Oh, Dhurandhar
that
is
I'm
releasing
looking
this year,
forward
right?
to.
अभी तो
Supposed to, but it doesn't have a
क्या
release date
अक्टूबर में
yet.
आनी थी?
हाँ,
दिसंबर
आ रही
नहीं,
थी,
दिसंबर में आनी थी.
फिर डिले हो गई थी, फिर अब now it doesn't have a release date.
वो इंजर भी तो हो गया.
हिंज पे बात कर रहा है क्या?
नहीं हिंस पे बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. नोटिफिकेशन आया था न्यू कमेंट का तो मैं वो नोटिफिकेशन बंद कर रहा था कि एपिसोड अभी रिलीज किया बाद हमने एपिसोड जो कंतारा वाला एपिसोड आप देख रहे हो.
पर कब आ रही है धुरंधर? कब आ रही है?
अभी रिलीज डेट नहीं कमिंग सून पे ही है.
ओके
So,
ठीक है,
yeah.
fair enough.
कोई आई थिंक वो आनी वेलकम टू द जंगल आनी थी ना दिसंबर में. वो भी आई
Not
थिंक
looking
शिफ्ट हो
forward.
वो
जाएगी.
तो भाई वो तो बहुत ही बकवास लग रही है तेरे को. You're looking forward to that.
वो आनी है ये 120 बहादुर फरहान अख्तर वाली.
Eh,
That looks pretty good.
I
actually.
can't take Farhan Akhtar's voice seriously as a soldier.
अच्छा okay.
Jawan! Alright then, moving on to the next person. We have a question from Manvi Chaturvedi who says
सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी की बहन.
Shija Chaturvedi ki
All
behan.
of
Yes.
it.
वो चतुर्वेदी. Oh yes yes yes.
Are related.
Alright, Manvi has said hi. That's a lot of eyes.
Oh it's that one. ऊपर का कैप्स लॉक मैसेज ऊपर का कैप्स लॉक वाला ईमेल नीचे वाला कैप्स लॉक. Is it that?
नहीं भाई.
Has she written hi in caps lock?
नहीं, hi is in small.
अच्छा नहीं कि एक मेल ऐसा भी आया
No,
था.
no, and then huge fan of you guys is in caps.
हाँ वही कह रहा हूँ ना ये एक ऑल कैप्स वाला मैसेज मेल भी था.
Thank you, Manvi. Thank you for shouting at us.
Yes.
For being a fan. आप तीनों का dynamic is so refreshing, hilarious and diverse. Wow. I always wait for your reviews and opinions of movies क्योंकि हर बार इतना होलसम डिस्कशन मिलता है एंड आई लव लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियोस बिकॉज दे हैव सोल एंड डिटेलिंग इन इट जो आप लोग कभी मिस नहीं करते.
वाह यार क्या बात है.
Just like your question, so long and detailed. So much soul. I am a little shy, तो comment नहीं कर पाती. But I do like and share all your work. Oh, that's so sweet. You
that's
share
so
our work?
sweet.
Bro, that's sweet.
That's
Yeah.
very
That's
sweet
sweet.
of
Too
you
sweet.
to
Yes.
share it.
Nice, man.
Learn something from Manvi.
हाँ,
and
for
share
all
our
those
work.
people who don't share it.
Don't
Yeah.
share it.
Thank you so much for being so consistent and creative with all your videos. By the way, do you know you
Does
can...
she have the right channel?
By the way, do you know people can hype?
Yeah,
video
I
now?
do. Every
What?
time.
Yeah, please
Yeah.
hype. Please
I
hype our
always
videos.
hype our videos.
Please hype everything on this channel
ये
and on
क्या
my
है? ये
personal
क्या है?
channel.
Yeah,
That
when
info.
video is
It's a new thing. Yeah, new
along
feature.
with comment, like and everything, एक ऐसे star का button होगा. If you the more people hide it, the more the algorithm pushes it.
भाई hype करो दोस्तों.
Please hype कर दो.
Please hype कर दो.
Please hype us.
Please hype us. Yes.
Yes. Okay, her question is.
हाँ,
as
question
follows.
कहाँ है?
Yeah, her question is as follows. Before discussing a movie/show on the podcast, you guys have to critically watch and analyze the
Yes.
acting, the plot, the technical aspects,
So
etc.
critical.
of the project, and also keep tabs on the marketing, box office earning, public opinion, gossip, etc. etc. How much is your first time experiencing a movie or show affected by this? Knowing that you have to watch it carefully to be able to discuss the project and its production on the podcast. And क्या कभी कभी मूवी को बिना क्रिटिकल लेंस के ना देख पाना और एंजॉय कर पाना इरिटेटिंग होता है. पहली बार लेट मी से that Snehal doesn't watch anything with a critical lens. Everything is with a super fanboy lens.
यार क्योंकि मैं हमेशा ये बात बोलता हूँ कि मैं क्रिटिक हूँ ही नहीं भाई. मैं
Yeah,
फिल्म में एंजॉय करने जाता हूँ.
नहीं बट क्रिटिक एंड क्रिटिकल होना
नहीं
are two
सी
different-
ऐसा नहीं है यार कि अगर मुझे अब जैसे अभी हमने जब परम सुंदरी की बात, परम सुंदरी नहीं पे इसकी माँ की
Which Snehal loved by the way. He loved
अच्छा.
Param Sundari.
नहीं नहीं उमा नहीं यार ये
Metro.
Sunny Sanskar.
सनी संस्कारी
Say loved.
वो वही है कि आप मेरे उस पॉइंट तक ही नहीं पहुंचने दिया मेरे को.
Let's be honest, Snehal actually loved the movie.
या
Okay. The thing is, like, you know how like other reviewers will first cover all the good aspects about the movie and then
Yeah.
talk about in
The
the
bad,
latter of the
yeah.
review. Okay, there were like a few qualms, nitpicking things. If I had, Snehal was like that for Sunny Sanskari Dulce Kumari. According to him, that the movie could have done no wrong.
No, but
except for a few nitpicking.
he
moments.
he
No,
was,
he hated it also.
He was enjoying it because of the crowd, right?
हाँ, and I
that
said
is
that.
also an aspect that for
For
him
sure.
that aspect was to watch with this particular crowd.
Yeah, like if you want like
Snail is swayed by crowds easily. Mob mentality, guys.
but Son of Sardar में भी was like लोग हंस रहे थे.
bro genuinely हंस रहे थे and I could
लोग हंस रहे थे तो फनी भी होगा.
नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ भाई मैंने मतलब I obviously can't name those reviewers but I am seeing them laughing in the theater and उनके reviews देख रहा हूँ तो वो and I'm like अभी आधा घंटा पहले तू हंस रहा था इसमें. बट ठीक है like obviously
वो कोमल नाता होगा. ये एक्सीलेंट फिल्म है.
ये सिनेमा क्रेजी भाई. मतलब लाइक जस्ट जेन्युइनली पता है मैं जब सना सरदार देख के निकला ना, सो देयर आर पीपल हु आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि वो फन तो थी यार बट देन ऑब्वियसली इट्स लेम जोक्स एंड ऑल दैट. ठीक है बट देयर इज दिस सेक्ट ऑफ पीपल दैट यू नो यू इमीडिएटली आइडेंटिफाई कि भाई ये इस पिक्चर की मारेंगे ही. इस पिक्चर की छोड़ो मतलब
सब मारने वाले हैं.
Enough about me, Snehal.
ठीक है. हाँ मतलब आप ही के भाई बंधु. ठीक है भाई. लाइक आई रिमेम्बर इंटरवल हुआ तो हम लोग वो समोसा लेने गए. जैसे समोसा मिलता ना स्क्रीनिंग से. भाई मेरा फ्लैटमेट गया तो मैं तो बैठा हुआ था, मेरे को थोड़ी कूपन मिला था, वो इनवाइटेड तो वो था. ठीक है तो देन पीछे से पीपल आर वॉकिंग एंड दे आर लाइक why do these people make these films yaar.
Totally fair, dude. Totally fair. What I would say is, I usually I'm very good with keeping that side aside. Okay, I have to be critical. I have to talk about this later, because I will very often, if the movie in the first 10-15 minutes is able to get me into that world, then I'm sold. Okay. But if the movie from the get-go is bad, then I can't wait to talk about it. Then if the movie is bad and I'm not in it, then I'm noticing all the things that I can talk about,
Yeah.
in the upcoming episode that we will discuss that movie in. So that excites me like that also. But yeah, a good movie. There's nothing like a good
नहीं
movie. man.
मैं जब मैं पहली
Like,
बार
come out of a good movie. There's nothing like it.
जब मैं हॉल में देखने जाता हूँ तो हॉल से जब मैं निकलता हूँ तो मैं बहुत ही अम्ब्रेला ओपिनियन लेके निकलता हूँ कि ओ इसमें मज़ा आया, इसमें मज़ा नहीं आया, ठीक थी, चल जाती. बहुत रेयरली एज एवरीबडी सेज एंड अग्रीज कि मैं बहुत रेयरली ऐसे होता हूँ कि यार there was nothing good in this film. One such was Param Sundari, जिसपे like we literally couldn't get a single good thing out of the film. Except तगदुम ताना तार. But then again, एक बारी जब मैं फिल्म देख के आता हूँ ना, देन मैं निकल के आने के बाद देन मैं अपने माइंड में उसको रिविजिट करता हूँ. अगर जब मुझे पता होता है कि हमें पॉडकास्ट पे बात करनी है, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन में ब्लैंक स्लेट पे ही लेता हूँ. एंड आई मेक श्योर कि जब तक हम एपिसोड ना रिकॉर्ड करें तब तक मैं कोई रिव्यू नहीं पढ़ता, कोई वीडियो नहीं देखना, कोई वीडियो नहीं देखता, कोई वीडियो नहीं देखता.
I read reviews. I don't mostly watch videos because I think that is more.
I love watching.
I am framing sentences in my head while watching the movie. I'm like, I have to speak about this. I have to speak about this, and I am writing a review in my head while watching a movie.
नहीं I can't
But
do
that
that,
doesn't
and I
mean
don't want to do that also.
I
That's why you're so critical.
but it's not like I can turn it off also. Like when I like I mentioned.
Why don't you?
When I'm watching Dulhe Raja, I'm not looking at the critical lens. But
mean,
then,
sure.
despite that, if something stands out, like today when I watched Dulhe Raja, I'm like, oh fuck, it's actually about the underdog who doesn't have resources fighting against the big guy who's an industrialist. There is a class warfare there. Obviously, as a kid, when I watched it, it didn't freak out to me.
Yeah, that's true.
But so yeah, I try and look for what this movie's larger point is. So yeah, I can't divorce myself from that.
I तो fully try to watch it as a ऑडियंस वॉचर जिसका कोई पॉडकास्ट नहीं है.
I am also an audience.
नहीं मैं वो बता रहा हूँ कि मैं इस नज़र से नहीं देखता कि मेरे को इसके ऊपर बात करनी है, क्योंकि आधे टाइम तो मुझे पता है आप लोग पिक्चर देखोगे नहीं, तो मैं क्यों अपने आप को उस पे डाल. तो मैं अगर मुझे पता होता है कि अगर हमें अब जैसे थामा है, तो हमें पता है इसके बारे में एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, तो हो सकता है मैं माइंड में 2-4 पॉइंटर्स निकालूं कि फक यार ये अबे इस पे तो मत जोक बनेगा.
Each movie is different. Like when we are going to watch a Houseful 5, we know it's not going to be any
exactly the case with Son of Sardar.
Yeah.
No, but then
I like how he very subtly was
but
like.
then even after that, like sometimes like there are brain rot movies, of course.
Yeah.
But then even brain rot में there is a good movie and there's
Yeah,
a bad
Did you
movie.
do good brain rot or
so
a terrible
Houseful
brain
5
rot?
is a terrible brain rot.
brain rot.
Son of Sardar is a good brain rot.
Madgaon Express is good brain rot.
Yeah, in a way.
Fun brain rot.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, next set of questions comes from Rahul Arora. भाई इस बंदे ने
भाई चैट
चिट्ठा लिखा है।
जीपीटी
चिट्ठा लिखा
चैट
है।
जीपीटी और
He
भाई
has-
ने बोल भी दिया, मैंने देखो चैट जीपीटी से स्ट्रक्चर किया है.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, he says, "Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I've thought of some questions for the AMA episode, if that's still a thing. Don't worry, I've
साला
only."
टॉन्ट मारा. अरे राहुल नाम तो
Don't-
सुना ही होगा.
He says, "Don't worry, I've only used ChatGPT to categorize them, but thought of them myself." Sure, buddy. क्या हम जैसे कि फ्रीलांस वर्क नहीं करते, हमें पता ही नहीं where do ideas come from. Oh, it's like
भाई पूरा
that 3 Idiots line, वो शब्द वहाँ पर हमारे हैं, क्या बोलता लाइन,
बस बोल रहे हैं शब्द हमारे हैं.
हैं. This is ChatGPT. Okay.
बकायदा भाई हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस के 3 क्वेश्चन, बॉलीवुड मूवीज के 4 क्वेश्चन. नाइस गुड वर्क यू
भाई
पुट इन.
इसने देख, there's no way we'll get to all of his questions.
हाँ
Yeah.
25
But
सवाल है भाई.
इसने 24 questions,
हाँ 24-25
बकायदा 24 क्वेश्चन भेजे हैं भाई.
ब्रो नाइस क्यूट.
भाई अब
I like.
तूने 24 क्वेश्चन तो नहीं सोचे. तू इतना वेला है क्या भाई राहुल? राहुल थैंक यू थैंक यू, पर तू इतना वेला है क्या भाई?
ले क्यों रहे हो उस विचार कि भाई you should
राहुल
be
लव यू,
thankful.
नाम सुना है मैंने बहुत.
हाँ.
वेरी नाइस. ओके, ही सेज फर्स्ट,
But राहुल पहले मेरे लिए
and he has categorized his questions in like, oh, this is regarding
Yeah,
this
that's what, yeah.
subheading. So
But
the first
before we answer your questions, we want to ask one question to you.
one, can you please hype our video?
And क्या प्यार दोस्ती है?
Okay, that completely
Because
bombed.
Rahul, bro.
Okay,
What did you expect to happen?
मुझे लगा कि आप लोग कुछ होता है कि 2-4 डायलॉग और ऐड करोगे, बट आई
पर
फॉरगॉट
राहुल,
कि आप लोग
ऐसा?
बोर हो.
Okay, अगर वो मेरी अच्छी दोस्त नहीं हो सकती
तो मैं कभी उससे प्यार कर ही नहीं सकता. हम एक बार जीते हैं, एक बार मरते हैं, और प्यार
टिंग 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 टिंग. Okay, so about the
झूठा है.
All right. The Rahul Arora's first set of questions are about our personal and career paths.
Oh wow,
Okay, he
dude.
says, How did the
अरे
three of
पापा
you-
Exactly.
How did the three of you meet? You met
IVM, bro.
You were
Tinder.
colleagues.
Oh, sorry.
Bro, very funny. I'll tell you. So I've joined IVM, and it's been 2 days, 3 days, whatever the fuck. तब तक if you've been following us from IVM, तो then you would know कि हम लोग पहले एक शो करते थे IVM Likes, फिर उसके बाद वो शो बना पॉप रैप, फिर IVM पॉप करके चैनल बना, एंड देन नाउ वी आर हियर. ठीक है. तो IVM, ये तब की बात है जब मैंने ज्वाइन करा था और मुझे IVM Likes एज अ प्रोड्यूसर भी नहीं मिला था. तब अंतरिक्ष और झलक होस्ट करते थे. ठीक है.
Yeah, Zalak.
उसी टाइम ना नया ऑस्कर में थप्पड़ मारा था विल स्मिथ ने
Oh,
इसको.
bro, I know
इतना
exactly
हरामजादा है ये. आप भी नहीं
मुझे
know
याद
this?
है. हाँ, मैं
You don't
नहीं
know
था.
this?
आप IVM
I
में थे
remember the
नहीं.
video. हाँ, मैं नहीं था,
भाई,
but
so
I
what
remember the
happened
video.
is,
Great.
2-3
Keep
दिन
my
हुआ.
co-host's name
हाँ.
out your
Bro,
fucking
and
mouth.
so he's like कि bro this is so Antariksh
You gotta
comes up to
recreate
me.
this.
ठीक है. And then I have again 2 days 3 days I've joined the company.
Yeah.
So and then there's this person who's been hosting like 2 shows and who's a regular on Cyrus and all of that, and then he comes to me and he's like, bro, we gotta have, did you see the Oscars, bro? And
Good
I'm like,
to know not
yeah.
much has
And
changed.
ठीक है, हाँ, and I'm like, yeah, bro, I did. I'm like, okay, so you know, did you see the? Of course, you saw the slap fiasco.
Of
And I'm
course,
like, yeah, of
something like
course.
that, of course,
So
yeah,
he's like,
something
so bro, for IVM now that you're gonna be the producer, we're gonna recreate this, and then it's gonna be you cracking a joke on Zalak, and then I'm gonna come and slap you. Don't worry, I'm not gonna slap you, but then we're gonna enact that I'm gonna slap you. And I'm like,
That's the
"अच्छा,
intention.
ठीक है." Okay, ठीक है. So this happens. He explains the entire thing, and right now I'm like, ठीक है, he's trying to include me. ठीक है.
Senior
मैं-
बोल रहा है, थप्पड़
senior
मारेगा,
बोल
बोले,
रहा
हाँ
है,
भाई,
हाँ,
खा
ठीक है.
लेंगे, हाँ.
तो हम लाइक ठीक है. अब मैं आ गया. अब भाई मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ वो क्या नाम था उसका जिसने थप्पड़ खाया
Chris
था?
Rock.
क्रिस रॉक. हाँ, मैं क्रिस रॉक प्ले कर रहा हूँ, ये विल स्मिथ प्ले कर रहा है, और झलक प्ले कर रही है
Wife, Jada Pinkett Smith.
हाँ, ठीक है. तो देन आई क्रैक अ रैंडम जोक एंड देन ही कम्स अप टू enact.
And we have this on video.
हाँ, ठीक
We'll
है.
find this video and we'll put
अगर
it.
कहीं मिली तो टू enact कि भाई
थप्पड़.
स्नेल को थप्पड़ पड़ेगा. ब्रो,
So
so what happens?
Can I say it?
No, fuck off. ठीक है.
I'll say it. I'll do it just.
Then he comes up and he says something, and for some मुझे ऐसा
So basically, I'm supposed to say, hey, keep my wife. No.
Co-host
co-host name out of
no,
your fucking
so
mouth.
The sequence was, okay, the person comes, Will Smith comes, slaps Chris Rock, and then goes and
Goes
sits
back,
back in his chair and like says, okay, stop,
Keeps-
keep my wife's name out of your fucking mouth. So I come, okay, and Sain is standing there, and he's making his whatever. His dumb jokes that you come up with about why he's making Zalak is so whatever because of blah 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 blah. Okay, and I go, okay, fine. I come up and I fucking go to slap Snehal. Okay, and obviously I'm trying and I'm trying to do this like in front of his face. At that exact moment, you can see it in the video. Snehal decides to go 1 inch ahead. So I go. You can see in the video. I go. Talk. Oh shit! I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. Oh shit!
I'm like,
It's like rude. What?
तीसरे दिन तो थप्पड़ क्यों
Bro,
मारा?
Hey, Antariksh is coming. You also have a joke or something.
And the thing is, like, when you're fake slapping, it only looks real if you do it fast,
Yeah.
right? So I'm like, zone se. This guy got slapped. He had a mark and shit, dude.
भाई तीसरे दिन कंपनी के एक रैंडम बंदा आके मेरे को चमाट चपका जाता है ये बोल के कि we're going to recreate the video.
Man, so funny. Yeah. So that's how we met.
That's how we met, guys. अब्बास से I met जब हम लोग स्टार
Star Wars वाला
वॉर्स का शो
episode
करने
कर
वाले
रहे
थे.
थे, हाँ.
एंड माई इंट्रोडक्शन टू अब्बास जो मुझे अंतरिक्ष ने दिया था was कि oh so there's this guy who's a big fan of Star Wars, used to work at IVM. So he's coming and I'm like अच्छा ठीक है, and then this person shows up and I'm like
Oh, this is
भाई,
before Abbas joined back.
yeah. This was the May the 4th episode.
Yeah. Of
Be with you, yes, correct.
2021, I guess.
22.
22, 21.
Yes.
नहीं, 22 में तो I joined back.
हाँ तो आपने
हाँ,
वो
so
एपिसोड
maybe
के
I
2
don't
महीने
know.
बाद ही किया था
Okay,
ज्वाइन.
हाँ.
21 में तो मैं मिर्ची में था.
अच्छा.
Okay, next question. How did your families react to your career paths? If not these professions, if not these
Professions,
professions, what could you imagine yourself doing instead?
ओह ब्रो, पापा तो बात ही नहीं करते मुझसे.
I also like I do properly convinced, man, because I did architecture in college.
ओ हाँ आपका तो सीन लगता
And then I did internship, and I knew, man, that I was on the road to become a terrible architect. So I was like, if I'm gonna be terrible, let me be terrible at something that I enjoy doing at least. So
अगर
that's
मैं
why-
इंजीनियर बन भी गया पापा तो मैं बहुत खराब इंजीनियर बनूंगा
Yes.
हाँ,
and-
मेरी भी वही कहानी है मेरे तो पता है मैं डेंटिस्ट
भाई, आप तो dentist बनने वाले थे।
था देन सब सेट था लाइक पप्पा का क्लिनिक है सब कुछ है
हाँ।
बस डिग्री लेके आना है बैठ जाना है बट मेरा भी वही था लाइक आई वोंट बी एबल टू डू दिस सो for the longest time my family was not okay with it then
Yeah.
for some stand up thing my poster came in a paper
Oh,
उस दिन उनको लगा कि अरे पेपर में छप रहा है इसका फोटो
अरे वाह।
तब भी ये नहीं कि मान गए पर कहते हैं, अच्छा शायद कुछ कर रहा
कुछ
होगा।
कर रहा
Nice.
Yeah.
नहीं बट टचवुड माय पेरेंट्स हैव फेयरली बीन ओके विद इट बिकॉज सो व्हेन आई केम टू मुंबई मैंने लिया ही जर्नलिज्म मास कॉम था तो उनको वैसी कुछ ज़्यादा खास उम्मीदें थी नहीं कि जर्नलिस्ट की हालत वो देख ही रहे थे मास कॉम में क्या ही कर लेगा ना मुझे आरजे बनना था हमेशा से एंड उसी लिए मुझे रेडियो जाना था एंड देन रेडियो से दे वर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग एनीथिंग गुड आउट ऑफ द करियर दैट आई चोज फॉर माई सेल्फ बट फिर मुंबई आना हो गया एक्टिंग के लिए शुरू हुआ फिर कोविड आ गया तो फिर ये मतलब आज सच कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ उनको
डाउनग्रेड होता गया और आज जो
यहाँ पर है बेसिकली बट आज सच उनको कोई खास प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उस दिन लेकिन ये हुआ मैंने पापा को बताया कि वी आर प्लानिंग अ लाइव ठीक है तो पापा ने बोला कि ये इसमें क्या होगा मैंने कहा हम लोग जो पॉडकास्ट पे करते हैं वो हम लाइव करेंगे विद ऑडियंस तो कह रहे हो ऑडियंस कहाँ से लाओगे मैंने कहा वो टिकट खरीद के आएंगे ठीक है सो आई किड यू नॉट हाँ एक चश्मा देना मेरे को अपना एक सेकंड के लिए ठीक है
डैड ने बोला
ब्रो नहीं
कौन खरीदेगा
I kid you not, ठीक है सो पापा ना अपने पागल हो गया आप क्या
भाई,
दिखता
अबे हाँ चल बहुत हाई
भाई
नंबर है
तेरी आंखें भाई
ब्रो आई स्वेयर
तेरी आंखें छोटे हो गई
मैं बाबूराव तो नहीं लग रहा है इसमें बट ठीक है सो फक मुझे दिख भी नहीं रहा फोन ठीक है सो माय डैड इज सिटिंग लाइक दिस एंड ही इज डूइंग समथिंग ऑन हिज फोन एंड देन आई टेल हिम कि लोग टिकट लेके आएंगे हमारा शो देखने एंड देन ही गोज लाइक
तेरा शो कोई खरीदने आया है
लोग तेरे को टिकट देख के देंगे
नाइस
शायद होपफुली
बट व्हाट वुड यू बी इफ नॉट दिस
यार पता नहीं भाई आई एम नॉट गुड एट एनीथिंग यार
I might have been a teacher maybe like in some teaching BMM
I actually wanted to be a financial broker. I was actually studying very hard for that, and then my parents said no because they were kind of afraid of the share market. So then they were
scam
like,
करना था तेरे को
मतलब I wanted to become a financial broker. Then my
रिस्क है तो इश्क है
हाँ, then my mom and dad and everybody was like share market में नहीं जाना.
मनी है तो हनी है
हाँ, so they were like कि उसमें नहीं जाना, तो इसलिए फिर I had to drop that idea and then I was like अगर मैं वो नहीं कर सकता तो कुछ नहीं करूँगा.
ओके
तो
फिर
फिर
क्या होता है अंतरिक्ष
भाई मैं टेबल टेनिस खेल रहा था
प्रोफेशनली
नहीं लाइक कोई प्रोफेशनल आई वुड बी वन ऑफ दोज यू नो लाइक an athlete who was promising in the beginning of his career but then lost his
yeah that was me with cricket. Zonal तक तो
Was
मैं
it?
पहुंच गया था. फिर उसके बाद पापा ने बोला पढ़ लो. मैंने
yeah
हाँ,
I was
चलो,
out
fair.
I was out table tennis and I played a state level basketball
there's gay
Oh,
level
wow,
also
dude.
yeah but
there's gay
I
level
was
also you said straight level is there gay level also
See, talk about me
you said
bombing a
straight
joke.
level
there is gay level
you said straight level right
did I say straight level
yeah
Bro, he said state level.
Oh, state
Are you fucking crazy
Are
or
you
what?
crazy?
I don't know is it straight level is there a gay
कौन
level
सा होता है straight level
तो इसीलिए
basketball?
तो मैंने पूछा gay level भी होता है क्या
हाँ होता है बात gay level is you saying gay level is 10 times already cut this out of the
no keep it it's funny
It's funny. Okay, ठीक है चलो continue.
sorry but you played state level for table tennis
No,
Basketball.
basketball. Table tennis I
sorry.
played districts, but I was a much better table tennis player than I was a basketball player. But I still play both. Like I've started playing basketball again, and it's very very fun
Nice.
because now kids I play with call me uncle. Yeah, dude. They're all like 50, 60-year-olds, and they're all dude. Like the first kid called me uncle, and then a friend of his corrected, "Abey chutiye, uncle ne bhaiya bol." Okay, and then because you like to be I'm above all this.
Yeah.
I don't mind people call me.
Bro.
So I went, no, it's fine, dude. And now they call me uncle.
Bro, it's
Because
so
I said it's
funny.
fine.
I'll tell you a story. ठीक है?
Yeah.
I don't. भाई, I just hope this episode doesn't reach them ever.
Okay.
ठीक है? सो मेरे घर के साइड
You
में ना
have
एक
kids?
शॉप है. नहीं रुको. मेरे घर के साइड पे ना एक शॉप है, ठीक है, नॉर्मल चिप्स बिस्किट वगैरह, ठीक है. सो उस पे ना अंकल बैठे हुए थे, जिन भैया की शॉप है उनके पापा बैठे हुए थे. तो ब्रो एक बहुत ही छोटा बच्चा, ठीक है, 3-4 साल का बच्चा आया, लाइक भैया मेरे को ना ये चॉकलेट दे दो, ठीक है. एंड देन द अंकल स्टैंड्स अप एंड इज लाइक वेरी एंग्री, लाइक भैया दिखता हूँ मैं तुझे, भैया दिखता हूँ मैं तुझे. एंड देन द किड इज कंफ्यूज्ड एंड इज लाइक
Uncle.
चॉकलेट दे दो. एंड देन इज लाइक सॉरी बोल, एंड इज लाइक किस चीज के लिए सॉरी बोलूं मैं आपको.
So he wanted to be called uncle? Is that what it
या इज लाइक मैं तेरे बाप क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, वही अंकल बोल दो, ठीक है.
रिवर्स एजेस
या एंड देन भाई द
Like, मुझे पापा बोल.
एंड देन द किड ऑब्वियसली 2-3 years old इज लाइक
Yeah, he's like, didn't get it only.
भैया चॉकलेट दे दो. वो अलग अलग उसे भैया चॉकलेट दे दो, भैया चॉकलेट दे दो.
Is that chocolate दे चूती है? ए डफर, थोड़ा
वो
chocolate-
संजू में कहता है ना उसको, तो क्या बुलाऊं तुझे बुढ़े.
Yeah. Okay, nice. Next one is, where do you see the podcast in the future?
Bro, I to have high hopes with the
So
podcast.
Golden Globes has introduced this best podcast category
That's
from
where you
this
want to
year.
be.
And
winning the Golden Globe.
we will be on a
The
winning streak.
international podcast
yes,
category.
yes, a winning streak. Who's Joe Rogan?
Dude, imagine a film fair start a podcast category.
भाई हम जैसों को नहीं
Yeah.
मिलने वाला है.
वो भी आलिया भट्ट को दे देंगे.
Some nepo baby will start a
फिर आलिया
podcast
भट्ट.
like sir.
You know, I think Sohail Khan's son started a podcast.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they had
yeah,
Salman
they
on
do.
as their first.
हाँ.
But I don't think it's a regular podcast. They just did like
Sure,
1 or 2
he
episodes.
has other things to do, bhai.
What does he have to do?
To spend money, I guess,
Host Big Boss.
in the future.
But
But-
yeah, what
but-
do you
but-
have a vision?
Yeah, I see this podcast. Not the podcast per se, but like the community Filmi Colada.
So
I
you
want
know
to.
AIB also started as a podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we.
Yeah, I remember one of their first podcasts was Kunal Nayyar.
It started with just Khamma and Tanmay.
Yeah.
हाँ, and
talking
then
shit.
फिर उसके बाद वो
That's
लोग
why
ने
they
audio
started
पे
getting
yeah
That's why
Yes,
Khamba say hi.
yeah.
Is only
Khamba say hi.
Is
Yeah.
only Khamba.
But anyway, I was trying to say then they became really big and then they got cancelled. So hopefully the cancelled part
Cancelled.
is
We'll
not
get cancelled someday. Yeah, that's the future hope, guys.
Bro,
We
तू
are
जिस
big enough
तरह
to
से
get
बात
हाँ,
करता है
वो
ना
someday ज्यादा दूर लगता नहीं है.
लगता नहीं है exactly.
Hey man, you have to be big enough to be cancelled in the first place. No, you need to have some fan following to lose.
Bro, but the other day I had this very humbling thought, or a very not humbling. I don't English आती नहीं मेरे को, but like a very overwhelming thought. मैं एक प्रीमियर देख रहा था and उस प्रीमियर पे I think we had touched 290 people watching the podcast on the premiere, and it was not like our
भाई
regular.
देखना अभी 290 इतना मस्त लगता है.
Bro, I swear, like
So I want in 5 years 290 to be like, oh, you know, क्या प्यारा number है.
हाँ, like so you know
When we are like doing 2900 people.
like
or
I
29,000
I remember हम लोग जब लाइव करते, like I remember this conversation कि अरे ब्रो आज ना 70 लोग देख रहे हैं भाई साथ में podcast, ठीक है. And it's been a year and we've reached like 290 people watching the podcast at the same time. And मेरी मम्मा अभी मुंबई आई हुई थी, मैं मम्मा को देख के कह रहा था, मैं कहा मम्मी अभी like just तो मम्मा like क्या चल रहा है फ़ोन पे, क्या देख रहा है, हम like podcast प्रीमियर हो रहा है. एंड देन आई गो, आई एम लाइक मम्मी इमेजिन करो अभी आपकी दुनिया में जितने भी लोग हैं उसमें से 290 लोग बैठ के ये सुन रहे हैं कि हम 3 लोग
That
क्या
is
बोल
crazy.
रहे
I
हैं.
always
Bro,
say
that
that,
is
yeah.
crazy. That is absolutely
But
crazy.
still a long way to go.
Of course, a long way to go.
Because like one of my favorite podcasts, just for example, Kill Tony in the world, they get like 87. Yesterday I was watching 87,000 people watching their premiere.
For sure,
So
for
you know,
sure.
so that's the difference, of course.
मतलब
And
They
that's where you
also
want to
sell
reach.
Madison Square Garden, bro.
Yeah.
If
That's what
we
I'm saying.
sell out Habitat also, it'll be a
Yeah,
big
that's
deal.
what.
Yeah.
So of course there are levels,
Huh,
and at
but-
the level we are at, we find this we're pretty. We get very excited about.
We're
these
yeah,
numbers,
I'm very excited about the journey, and because in my mind, at least, I have a lot of things planned for Filmi Colada as a community. I want to build Filmi Colada as a community. Pop Conversation channel तो चल ही रहा, मतलब as in podcast तो चल ही रहा है. I want to do movie screenings. I want to do films. I want to do all of that. I want to make like touch wood. I hope
Yeah,
like
yeah.
if like let's just manifest
Big
this
plans,
that
biggest
that
plans.
all of these happen.
Yes. All right. Next, moving on to his movie experience and reviews segment. Yes, we are still on Rahul Arora only.
Movie experience and
Yeah.
reviews.
So he says, what was your best movie going experience? That's a tough one.
Badass
Recent
Ravi
times.
Kumar, bro.
Badass Ravi Kumar is pretty
Badass
awesome.
Ravi Kumar, fucking awesome.
Badass Ravi
Loved it.
Kumar, badass
Loved
Ravi
it.
Kumar.
What other movie going experience that I really
Does it
like?
have to be a Hindi film?
Dude, it should be. I didn't.
Okay.
We talk about it. But I think like I really enjoyed when I'd gone to see Madgaon Express. I laughed a lot. That was a very good, fun watching movie going experience.
I think
But I think Badass was pretty
nothing
awesome.
comes close to Badass, dude. I was absolutely blown away by the audience in the Badass Ravi Kumar
Okay.
theater. Crazy, bro. Crazy. People are dancing. People are.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
भाई लोगों ने फ्लैश लाइट्स ऑन करके उसका वो बना दिया था. I met a listener also there. बहुत सही था. Badass Ravi Kumar was crazy.
For me, 2006 in Bangalore, me, my sister, and two of her other friends and one friend of mine went to see Rang De Basanti.
Oh wow.
Rex करके एक theater था, single screen theater, and crazy. Bangalore was full college crowd. Rang De Basanti was the rage that
Oh,
time.
nice.
This was probably like the third or fourth day after the movie released, और वो word of mouth फैल गया कि भाई एकदम क्रांतिकारी पिक्चर है. And it had everything like Amir Khan, of course. Amir Khan. Then the fact that Siddharth, Madhavan, and A.R. Rahman, three celebrities who were big in the South, that also added to it. And same thing, like every song, every joke was landing. And if you sing Rang De Basanti, the second half gets really serious and intense. So to see the crowd go from that dancing, jokey energy to like being this really serious was amazing. So yeah, Rang De Basanti in 2006 was my favorite movie going experience.
Yeah, I remember watching like Dil Chahta in theaters back when
Yeah.
I was a kid. That was a great movie going experience because we had just watched Lagan and seeing Dil Chahta.
Oh, yeah, Lagan was also a
Also
great
great
experience.
experience.
Bro,
वो
ऐसा-
मैच हो गया था थिएटर में, ऐसा लग रहा था सच
Bro,
में
ऐसा
मैच
मुझे
देख
उस
रहे
पे
हैं.
लगा था. Bro, बजरंगी भाईजान.
Yeah, Bajrangi Bhaijaan was also good.
Baller, dude. I remember. I don't know whether I've shared this experience here or not. मैं सिंगल स्क्रीन में गया था देखने बजरंगी भाईजान. एंड दिल्ली का सिंगल स्क्रीन ईद वाला टाइम, ठीक है. एंड ये वो वाला सिंगल स्क्रीन था जब बुक माई शो पे लिस्टेड नहीं था, ठीक है. आई डोंट नो तब बुक माई शो था भी कि नहीं था. क्या बुढ़ा हो गया हूँ मैं. बट एनी
हाँ यार,
वो
इतनी पुरानी भी नहीं बजरंगी भाईजान. 2016 I think. 16 I think.
चलो ठीक है, हो
9
सकता है हो, बट
हाँ.
वो सिनेमा हॉल लिस्टेड नहीं था बुक माई शो पे, ठीक है. एंड हम लोग आई थिंक 6 बजे वाला शो देखने गए थे. और ये वो वाला टाइम था जब आपको टिकट काउंटर 1 घंटा पहले खुलता है एंड आपको लाइन में लगना है.
हाँ.
भाई मैं, मम्मा, मेरी बहन, मेरा भाई, हम सारे बैठे हुए हैं, काउंटर खुलने का वेट कर रहे हैं. एंड देन देयर इज अ पिक्चर दैट आई हैव, अगर मुझे मिली तो मैं यहाँ पे डालूंगा. भाई वो पूरा कॉम्प्लेक्स सिर्फ लोगों से भरा हुआ है. आप देखी, ज़मीन नहीं दिखती थी भाई वहाँ उस टाइम पे दिख रही थी. आई थिंक 4 बजे का टाइम था. 5 बजे का 5 बजे का काउंटर खुलना था. 6 बजे फिल्म थी. आधा घंटा काउंटर खुला रहता. भाई लाइन लग गई, मैं लाइन में लग गया. काउंटर खुला, कौन सी लाइन, कहाँ की लाइन, सब भाई ऐसे एरो बना के गए. और अब मुझे नहीं आदत भाई, मेरे को बस ये है कि मुझे बजरंगी भाईजान देखनी है बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट सिंगल स्क्रीन थिएटर्स एंड सलमान, ठीक है. आई ऑल्सो रश इन थिंकिंग कि ऐसे ही मिलेगा टिकट. भाई मुझे टिकट मिला, 4 टिकट लेने थे, 4 टिकट मिले. पहली रो के टिकट मिले. भाई जब मैं बाहर आया, मेरी चप्पल टूट चुकी थी. एक चप्पल तो मेरी अंदर ही रह गई, दूसरी चप्पल टूटी हुई. मैं बाहर आया, मेरी शर्ट फट गई थी. मेरे यहाँ पे ना कोने पे जब खेलते थे तो चोट नहीं लग जाती थी, वो चोट पूरी छिल गई थी. मैं खून करके मैं बाहर आया और हाथ में ऐसा 4 टिकट लेके टिकट मिल गई, ठीक है. एंड मैं बाहर आया एंड माय मॉम सीरियसली लाइक, ये क्या है. मैंने कहा भाई टिकट मिल गई. देन आई कॉल्ड माय फ्रेंड, वो स्कूटी पे आया, स्कूटी वो मेरे को लेने आया. मैं यहाँ से घर गया, घर जाके चेंज किया, नहाया, चप्पल, फिर 6 बजे मूवी देखने आया. और लिटरली पहली रो ऐसे देखी थी हमने पिक्चर भाई. क्रेजी सीन था बजरंगी भाईजान का.
Okay, let's go. All right, next one from Rahul Arora is, what would it take to get people to go to the theater more often? What do you guys?
Reducing the ticket prices.
That's for sure.
110%.
Dude, better
hot
movies
take.
for sure.
मैं hot take दूँ, taking away the cell phones before they enter the movie hall. I don't know if we'll get more
भाई वो
people
तो
to go.
और लोग कम हो जाएंगे भाई. बिकॉज देन अगेन आप पिक्चर देखने जा रहे हो और पिक्चर घटिया निकलती है तो फिर अब आप सेल फोन भी नहीं देख
मैं तब
सकते.
भी नहीं देखता हूँ यार सेल फोन अगर घटिया हुई तो भी. तेरे जैसा
I
नहीं
don't
हूँ.
know, I
फैंटास्टिक 4 में निकाल के बैठ
अपना
गया था.
प्रीमियर चल रहा था वो देख रहा था.
जो भी है यार थिएटर में बैठा है.
Okay, fair enough.
But reducing prices for sure. Putting a cap on the prices.
कर्नाटका में किया ना 200
कर्नाटका
रुपीज.
में तमिलनाडु में भी है.
तमिलनाडु में भी है. ओके.
There's an upper limit.
Yeah, 200 rupees.
Tamil Nadu I think is 300 or 350.
That's awesome,
And,
dude.
कर्नाटका I think 200.
200
I
yeah.
think.
That's amazing. I had no idea.
Yeah,
There's a cap on this.
yeah.
ये बहनचोद
That's
क्यों नहीं कर रहे अपन?
भाई फिर
Because यहाँ सर्विस टैक्स ज्यादा देना पड़ता है भाई.
1750 रुपए का
Entertainment
टिकट.
यहाँ
भाई
किसकी
आपको पता है
यार?
मैंने जॉली एलबी कितने की देखी? 1200 रुपए की भाई.
tax. Oh shit.
1200 रुपए की मतलब 2 लोग की मिला के
हाँ,
600 रुपए का
600
पर
का
टिकट
ticket.
भाई.
600 ना फिर,
इट रियली वाज
And
नॉट
normal theater, no
अरे
IMAX.
कुछ
that's-
नहीं IMAX में रिलीज ही नहीं हुआ पिक्चर. कैसे
4DX.
देखी? हाँ भाई कुछ भी नहीं. ये देखी मैंने 4DX में.
One metal.
हाँ
One metal after another.
हाँ वन बैट लफ्टी.
Okay, next one is this is a good
अरे
one.
नहीं बट आई थिंक लाइक वी शुड
तुम
टॉक
लोग
मोर
भी तो
अबाउट दिस.
बताओ,
हाँ
हाँ, तुम लोग भी तो बताओ कि क्या क्या कैसे जाएंगे.
Oh, I think yes, more reducing ticket price is a big thing. I think, dude, just invest in better writing, better this thing, because I think a big part of why people are not going to theater right now is people, by and large, a big part of our generation especially, think that Bollywood movies are not cool right now.
But how do we make it cool? See, I'll tell you because
Dude, make it more younger. Make the films younger. Make the films stop doing
But
those
that,
dissipity movies again.
Netflix movie was about young people. The Saif Ali Khan son.
And Bads. Bads is a very young show.
नादानिया.
Nadanya was for young people. Didn't do well.
But do better writing also, na, bro. Younger is one thing, but better writing is also needed.
See, I feel ये जो आपने कूलर वाला पार्ट बोला ना, I think a lot of people took that seriously and उन्होंने बोला कि कूलर का मतलब है मैग्नम ओपोस बनाते रहो सारी फिल्में. एंड आई थिंक व्हेन RRR वर्क नो पीपल थॉट कि भाई थिएटर को एक एक्सपीरियंस किल कर देंगे तो हम लोग बहुत मजा आ जाए. किल एज इन मतलब बैंग ऑन कर देंगे तो बहुत मजा आ जाएगा. उसके चक्कर में वी आर सीइंग थिंग्स लाइक वॉर 2 एंड ऑल दिस कि उनको बस ये हर शॉट नई लोकेशन में डाल दो, एक्शन इतना वो डाल दो. आई थिंक वी नीड टू इन्वेस्ट मोर इन स्टोरीज दैन इन द स्केल.
So,
बट अगे सॉरी मैं इसी के साथ इसका वो काउंटर भी दे रहा हूँ. बट देन व्हाट इफ पीपल आर लाइक कि ओ दिस इज नॉट अ थिएटर लाइक थिंग, ये तो हम OTT पे देख लेंगे.
so I think like if you remember correctly, right? 2000s, all of 2000s, late 90s, and the whole chunk of 2000s, a lot of movies can fall into the casual fun watch category. Okay, the casual part of a movie is not there anymore. Like yeah, Sana Sadar is intended to be a casual fun watch, but it's not that because the writing has taken such a downgrade, such a fall from grace or whatever, that these things are not able to be fun anymore or casual. It's not both of them together.
I think
Casual fun watch is exactly the kind of movie I'd rather watch at home on OTT.
that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
So उसी को तो अब आप
Yeah,
उसी को
fair.
तो अब लोग सेकंड सीन कंटेंट
Yeah.
कह रहे हैं,
That's
which
true.
which precisely was सनी संसारी की तुलसी कुमारी. It's something
But it's
that
not casual and fun, dude.
मतलब it is the most casual thing that you will watch कि तुम उसको बैकग्राउंड में चला दो and then तुम्हें अगर खाना बनाने जाना है या कुछ करने जाना है तो वो चल रही है. When you come back you will not miss a whole lot of story.
Yeah.
And that is what people are going for when it comes to OTT because again so मुझे एक ये काम fuck मेरे माइंड में एक पॉइंट आया था यार.
I think so. Then it's about, I think, what movie is able to offer you more of an escapist journey. The
Yeah.
thing, like in the sense, it doesn't have to be like big budget actioner. It can be Sayara is fine, but
Also-
your conviction has to come through.
Do you feel
Or to invite people to theater.
Do you feel with OTT, internet, obviously us being able to connect with the outside world
Yeah.
more, do you think कि ये ऐसी पिक्चरें हमने enjoy करना कम कर दी हैं क्योंकि हमारा इंटेलेक्ट ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है?
I think attention spans has a lot to do with it.
नहीं,
I
किस
don't think
तरह की
intellect.
film है?
is
मतलब
the
जैसे
thing.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल
Oh, we have gotten privy to world cinema
हाँ
now.
सो लाइक नाउ दैट वी नो कि बाहर के
तो
किस
यही
स्तर क्या
यही
है.
सारा एक्सेस उनके पास भी तो है ना जो बना रहे हैं फिल्म.
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि सो एक गैप तो है,
हाँ.
नो डाउट अबाउट इट, गैप है. बट जैसा क्या है कि अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं 2000 की बात कर रहा हूँ, मेरे पास जैसे अभी आपने 2000 का एग्जांपल दिया राइट, तो शायद मेरे पास उस टाइम पे पल्प फिक्शन का एक्सेस नहीं है. फर्ज करो ठीक है, पल्प फिक्शन का एक्सेस नहीं है
Yeah.
हमें. एज अब इसका क्लासिक एग्जांपल मैं आपको देता हूँ, क्रिश 3 ठीक है, बैड फिल्म
Yeah.
देखी नहीं,
Horrible.
बैड फिल्म. I get it. We have a instant reference to X-Men.
Right.
Instant reference to X-Men.
Yeah.
But at that time जब 2012-13 में जब ये फिल्म आई थी, पब्लिक कंसेंसस ये था, जिन्होंने विच आर नॉट दैट एक्सपोज टू X-Men का दुनिया, they were like, oh,
ये तो अच्छा है.
ये तो बढ़िया है. एंड आई थिंक विद टाइम ये जो, एंड दैट इज आई डिड लाइक 350 crores whatever the money it did. And I think with time I think everybody धीरे धीरे मम्मी वाला जनरेशन, नानी वाला जनरेशन, बच्चों वाला जनरेशन, उनको तो एक्सेस बढ़ता ही जा रहा है. सो उनके लिए अब अगर वो लोग परम सुंदरी देखने जा रहे हैं तो दे ऑब्वियसली हेट इट. बट शायद अगर यही फिल्म एग्जैक्टली यही फिल्म शायद अगर 2005 या 7 में देख रहे होते हम लोग, तो probably we would not have been this critical of the film because we were not. And I think Hindi industry needs to realize that this gap is increasing day by day.
Dude,
and they need to fill it.
It's like it's almost like what is happening with remakes right now, no?
Yeah.
Because we are, see, firstly, most people, 90% of the people are not exposed to the original movie anyway.
Exactly,
okay?
yeah.
But just the thought that this is a remake
Yeah.
makes you less
So
interested
the
in being
way out of
emotional.
it is originality. For example, Malayalam में एक picture बनी है जोजी, okay, फहद फासिल की.
Yeah.
जोजी is based on Hamlet, if I'm not wrong, okay, which is a Shakespeare play. Shakespeare का play, obviously it's theatrical, it's
Yeah,
big
yeah,
budget,
yeah.
they've set it in 2 apartments in a middle class family in Kerala.
Yes.
Okay, do that. So you make Indianized versions of
Yeah.
whatever is popular, sure,
Yeah.
but blow some originality
इस
into
पे
it.
इस पे आमिर खान ने बहुत ही वियर्ड कमेंट मारा था.
क्या?
जब आमिर से पूछा कि आपने रीमेक बनाया है चैंपियंस का,
हाँ.
ठीक है, तो इज लाइक मुझे समझ में नहीं आता रीमेक से प्रॉब्लम क्या है.
हाँ.
मत बनाओ ना शेक्सपियर का कोई रेंडिशन फिर. एंड हम लाइक भाई मिस्टर परफेक्शनिस्ट, आप समझो आप क्या कह रहे हैं. ठीक है, शेक्सपियर को अडेप्ट करना और रेंडिशन
Yeah.
बनाना प्ले के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इज अ होल लॉट डिफरेंट.
yeah, exactly.
आपने फ्रेम टू फ्रेम पिक्चर बनाई है.
हाँ.
But
So,
anyway.
or we have mentioned many times before what Vishal Bhardwaj did with the
Bro.
adaptations of Shakespeare.
मकबूल.
So, as long as you do that, even if I'm aware of the original,
Yeah.
give me Indian X-Men. Even if I have seen the original
Exactly.
X-Men,
Yeah.
give me Loka. I will watch Loka
Yeah,
happily
give me
because
that.
it's set in an Indian superhero universe.
But I feel ये चीज the industry needs to realize. Also, another thing that the industry needs to get rid of is the financiers part, which I feel is a little difficult now.
Financiers, no? Like movie financiers.
The corporate finances.
Oh,
तो फिर बनेगी कैसे यार पिक्चर?
That's what ना भाई, मत बनाओ ना 600 करोड़ का बजट.
bro, that तो 100%. You're right. 100%,
मत बनाओ ना,
100%.
क्योंकि तुम
It becomes impossible to get that back.
जितना तुम कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंसेस इंक्लूड करते रहते हो, जितना तुम कॉर्पोरेट इंक्लूड कर रहे हो इंडस्ट्री में, तुम्हारा आर्टिस्टिक फ्रीडम उतना ही कम होता जा
पर
रहा है.
वो टाइम गया ना जब कोई ज्वेलर प्रोड्यूसर बनेगा पिक्चर का, भरत शाह
मैं
तुम्हारी
बिल्कुल
पिक्चर प्रोड्यूस करेगा.
बिल्कुल मैं बात
But
मान
actually, you
रहा
know,
हूँ
like actually black में अभी भी ये सब बहुत होता होगा.
हाँ ठीक है, but then you unless you don't have a, let's say for example a Reliance or a whatever Dharma backing your Dharma, तो चलो film production वो ही है, but whatever some corporate backing of your movie, how do you even bring your
That's what
vision?
I'm saying कि it's not.
So
भाई,
what is the
vision लाने के लिए कॉर्पोरेट बैकिंग की जरूरत नहीं है.
vision marketing
ग्रैंडियर
spend?
लाने के लिए आपको कॉर्पोरेट की जरूरत है.
Sure.
ठीक है, तो आई फील उस चीज से, बट वो ग्रैंडियर लाके भी हम क्या कर रहे हैं ना, हम कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे. हम War 2 बना रहे हैं ग्रैंडियर लाके. अगर आप
But would War to be a better film if it was made on a lower budget?
110%, 110%. I fully stand by this
But
claim.
then you won't be able to have Hrithik Roshan in the movie then.
It's not about that. It's not, भाई 600 करोड़ में ऋतिक ने कितने ले लिए होंगे?
पता नहीं 200 करोड़
200 भी ले लिए होंगे.
हाँ.
तब भी 200, अगर 200 से ले, चलो 200 NTR के लगा लो, तब भी 100 करोड़ में भी 100 करोड़ पता है कितने होते हैं? और वो भी 200 करोड़ तो नहीं ही लिए होंगे
नहीं लिए
ऋतिक ने,
होंगे,
बट लाइक आई वुड स्टिल. एंड यही तो भाई फिर आदतें खराब डाल दी ना. अगर आप रोज हर फ्राइडे को एक बच्चे को चॉकलेट दोगे, वो चौथे फ्राइडे आने और आप
भैया
बोलोगे कि हाँ
chocolate
चॉकलेट नहीं मिला, तो उसका मूड खराब होगा. आपने अब ऑलरेडी बजट्स इतने इंक्रीज कर दिए, और उसका जोर किससे बढ़ रहा है? ऑडियंस पे. जो हमने टिकट प्राइसेस की बात करी, 1700 रुपए की टिकटें देके पिक्चर देख रहे हैं भाई. 1700 रुपए की टिकट आई थिंक इंडिया की किसी पिक्चर के लिए वर्थ इट नहीं है.
Sure.
Agreed. I legit think that it's down to producers and actors, man. They have to come together and say, "Okay, look, every movie that stars Hrithik does not need to have this budget.
Yeah.
Let's make some small budget 10
Bro,
crore, 50 crore movies, man."
अटैक नहीं देखी, काफी लोगों ने अटैक नहीं देखी.
हाँ.
जॉन इब्राहिम की फिल्म
Yeah,
है,
मैंने
थोड़ा इंडियन वर्जन ऑफ साइबॉर्ग स्लैश कैप्टन अमेरिका सुपर सोल्जर टाइप फिल्म है. डूड, वॉच द फिल्म. इट्स भाई, आई थिंक उसमें बजट वॉर 2 का 1/4 होगा, या ऐसी किसी बड़ी फिल्म का 1/4 1/5 बजट होगा. बट वॉट VFX, वॉट मतलब वॉट स्टोरी, वॉट एक्टिंग. मैं चलो, इट्स नॉट लाइक कि भाई जॉन इब्राहिम इज दिलीप कुमार ऑफ एक्टिंग राइट नाउ, ठीक है, बट it's still I'd much rather watch something like War 2 that is giving me something new, and I know कि इसके ऊपर तुमने 600 करोड़ नहीं लगाए. हाँ,
You mean Attack?
मैंने क्या बोला? War 2. हाँ, नहीं, Attack.
यही तो
हाँ.
मार खा रहे हैं.
Attack.
All right,
हाँ.
cool. Last two questions.
Last question, yes. please.
Last two, because two excellent questions, but then that's the end of the episode. Then
Yes.
last two questions. If given the chance, which movie would you star in, and as which character?
Zinina Redwara as Farhan Akhtar.
Oh,
100%.
I thought you'll say Hrithik.
मतलब as much as I'm tempted because he ends up with Katrina, but Farhan Akhtar.
I think
Fully vibe with
I
that
would be
character.
Amitabh Bachchan in Bagban. I don't know. I don't know. I'm thinking. Anything you have? Still thinking.
A film that I would like to star in.
I would love to be Badshah in Badshah, dude.
Yeah, that's a good choice.
That's a great one.
Nice.
Yeah, that'd be great. One.
Bacha, oh Bacha. यही है ना सवाल कि क्या
Yeah,
बनोगे?
which movie would you like to be in, and as which
What character?
Oh, which
Badshah
character
and Badshah would be
also?
pretty great. Raghav Juyar and Bats of Bollywood would be fun.
Yes.
But then we are doing all the fun characters. Of
Bro,
course, it would be fun.
Bro, again, I think Farhan Akhtar in ZNMD, perfect choice for me. Yeah, love it.
Mogambo and Mr. India.
Oh, because
You wanna die.
have hair.
Because I want to play a villain, bro.
Alright,
Nice.
fair enough. But then why not Gabbar Sholay?
That's too iconic. I mean, that's like I can't
Oh,
think of
Mogambo
anybody.
is not that
It
iconic.
is, but I feel like I can pull it off.
रोहित सराफ से अच्छा मैं कर लूंगा. मोगैम्बो आई कैन पुल इट ऑफ.
रोहित सराफ से अच्छा?
जिसने बोला था ना
अच्छा.
पिछले एपिसोड में.
वो तो मैं कर ही सकता हूँ.
Mogambo.
Okay, and the last one, the last question
Yeah.
from Rahul. The thing is, he has a ton more, but we'll maybe get to them
Yeah,
on a
yeah,
future
some
episode.
other time,
2 घंटे होने वाले हैं एपिसोड.
Okay, the last question is, I love this question. Which actor should retire? Which actor should retire, and which actors would you love to see succeed, like underrated actors? So, so first, which actor should retire?
Should succeed वाला बोलूं पहले because that is a safer answer.
I think should retire is also.
Okay, should retire. Also, I have an answer.
I have like a few.
A few.
Yeah, first to see
बोल दे.
Salman Khan.
हाँ, yes, मेरा भी वही जवाब.
Okay, to some extent. Okay, he should.
Hey, he should retire
the
and
thing
do
is,
Big Boss hosting full time.
no. So the thing, yeah, correct, fair. I'm saying, if the thing is, in every movie, if it seems like Salman is not interested, if that is coming forward, then he should absolutely retire. Okay. If, however, in the next few films we find out, "Arey, his eyes are wide open, yeah, nice."
What a benchmark.
Yeah. Then, if he's putting in effort, is what I mean.
Yeah.
Then of course, then continue your career, dude. But if you're not putting in the effort that you should be into something that is paying you crores and crores and crores of unimaginable wealth, then you should be putting in more effort. And if you're not, then you should just retire. Like, let someone else step in. Other than that, Kartik Aaryan, Janhvi Kapoor, as I mentioned, should not get roles. Should retire also. Yes, please retire.
Wow, you really don't think? I mean, they have a lot of career still to go, man. Maybe they'll start doing good films.
Hey man, but when?
Janhvi's already done one, Homebound.
But how? The movie is good only because she was there for 10
I
minutes in
haven't
it.
seen Chandu Champion, but from what I've heard,
Bro,
it's
नहीं
not a
वैसे
bad
genuinely
movie.
Janhvi Kapoor has not done as many bad films as
you are
guys,
making it
हाँ.
sound like.
Bro, she's only done terrible films.
No, she's not.
Yeah, what are you talking about? Gunjan Saxena. Actually, I've not seen Gunjan
Bro,
Saxena.
sure, that was not a bad film.
Huh?
Have you watched Millie?
The
Millie
one
was
where she's
bad,
stuck
bro.
in a.
Bro,
The one where she's stuck in a theater,
Yeah.
in a fridge.
Which one's? Oh, that I haven't seen. Sorry,
In a
I was
refrigerator.
confusing it
Cold
with
storage.
what's that movie in which she becomes a single mother?
Mr.
Netflix
and Mrs.
movie.
Mahi, I've heard
no,
is
bro.
shit.
Yeah.
I've heard Mr. and Mrs. Mahi is
single
shit.
mother?
Yeah, she
Janhvi
becomes a
Kapoor?
single. Not Janhvi Kapoor. But उसका भी M से ही कुछ नाम है. वही मैं सोच रहा था.
Mimi, that
Mimi,
is
yeah.
Kriti Sanon.
हाँ, वही
You
मैं
didn't like Mimi?
Mimi was shit. Dog shit.
Bro, I think she got nominated for national
Yeah,
award or something.
exactly. That's not a benchmark.
I think that's an easy way to get a national award. Be pregnant in a film.
नहीं bro. So
So
I
yaar-
feel I actually like there was a
But
time.
yeah,
that-
I think Janvi's not that bad.
yeah, jitna
I think
you
she's
make it out to
terrible,
be.
dude. I think she's very bad.
No, I think
Yeah.
she was
I
very
think
good
she's
in
one
Millie.
of those nepo kids who just gets opportunities because she's
Worse
a nepo
than
kid.
Sara Ali Khan.
Dude, she's
Worse than Sara Ali Khan.
firstly Sara Ali Khan is not that great also. Yes, agreed. But
But worse than Sara
she's
Ali
more
Khan.
likable as a person.
Sara Ali
I
Khan?
think.
Oh,
Firstly that,
bro.
Firstly that. I completely think that.
Bro, इतनी भी अच्छी नहीं थी मेट्रो इन दोनों, ठीक है?
But ठीक ही थी.
Oh, bro.
Or
एक
Sara
second, then
is
you need to-
definitely in interviews and all. She's not trying to be as fucking pretentious as
Bro, are
Janvi
you
is
not
what
pretentious.
what
She's
interviews are you
extremely
watching?
pretentious.
एक second, tell me, एक
तेरी
second.
कुछ खानदानी दुश्मनी है क्या?
What interviews are you
बोनी
watching?
कपूर की
What
family
मैंने
के साथ।
मैंने सोचा मैं मम्मी आप तौलिया क्यों लेके जा रहे हो, होटल से मिलेंगे ना, हम वहीं से ले लेते हैं. Bro, if this is something that you're
Bro.
talking and you're Sara Ali Khan,
But this is
bro,
at least it's dumb funny. Like, Janvi is just dumb in interviews, dude. Dude, okay, please tell me if I'm wrong, if I'm that
Janvi's,
wrong about Janvi.
यार वो जो गाड़ी में घूमते हैं ना, वो वाला इंटरव्यू फनी है जानवी का.
Mashable वाला.
Mashable वाला.
Bombay Journey वाला.
नहीं, but
Probably.
I think Janvi. So for the longest time, I was not that
On board.
हाँ?
On board.
नहीं, मतलब पहले मुझे जानवी की जो फिल्म उसने करी थी वो मुझे ठीक लगती थी. मिली और ये और वो अभी रिसेंटली जो उसने किया है, because I was at least thinking कि चलो she is one of those who's experimenting.
Dude, the thing
She's
is,
trying to do roles.
anything that I've seen, like even when I've seen like
What
you know,
Janvi
in
Kapoor
passing-
films have you watched?
Bro, अब ऐसे मैं लिस्ट डाउन कर रहा हूँ.
अरे भाई 15 ही होंगी.
Bro,
उसमें
वही
से
तो
आपने
मैंने
कितनी देखी है?
मैंने अब भाई मैं क्या बोलूँ भाई, मेरे को अब देखने पड़ेगा. You want me to go through fucking Janvi Kapoor's
Yeah,
filmography?
because
Yeah,
you're with
because you're so
conviction, you're
fucking
like she's the
critical of
worst.
her.
Yeah,
she's
because
the worst.
dude, the thing is,
All she's done is
see,
shit.
everything that I've seen of hers is absolute.
That's
she's
why I'm
bad at-
asking. What have you watched?
She's only good in. She's only like okay in Dhadak 2, which is also a very
Dhadak,
frustrating
Dhadak,
movie.
but okay.
Sorry, Dhadak.
Yeah, that was a
Very
debut.
frustrating movie. Janvi Kapoor movies. Okay, I have seen Ulaj. I'm not gonna watch. I've heard is shit.
Ulaj is
Bawal.
not
I've heard is
right.
shit.
बवाल
Okay.
कौन सी फिल्म है?
I
ये
don't
वरुण धवन वाली यार, वो हिटलर वाली.
Oh, अच्छा, हाँ, ठीक
Oh,
है.
I've heard is
that
shit.
was a bad
Mr. and
movie.
Mrs. Mahi. I've heard is shit. She's horrible in that. She can't bat for shit. I've heard.
हाँ.
Okay, Millie. You're saying she's decent.
Bro, yeah, she's
I think
decent.
she must be pretty shit in that.
No.
Ruhi is horrible. Is horrible.
Ruhi is horrible.
You're
in
gonna make an
general.
excuse for every movie I say is bad.
No, Ruhi is horrible. मैं तो कह ही रहा हूँ Ruhi is horrible in general. मैं
So
आपको
why
कह रहा हूँ
तो
कि
she's
आपको
terrible in that. She's
अरे
so
but the
everything I've
movie
seen
is
she's bad in, dude.
रूही जिस डायरेक्टर ने बनाई थी वो Hesitage will पे आया था, so I will reserve my judgment.
Okay, then Good Luck Jerry I've not seen. Maybe I'm
Yeah,
pretty
she
sure
was
it's
bad.
bad.
actually was decent.
she was decent. Yeah, she was decent. And movie is also
Okay,
decent.
she was decent because you guys think she's hot and shit. Okay,
Bro,
I'm
So
sure-
what's wrong with that?
एक second.
Yeah, but that's the only reason you find her movies good.
I'm saying the other things you said are bad.
I think I'm pretty sure Good Luck Jerry is also terrible.
It's not.
That's what I'm saying. Actually, it's rated 86% on Rotten Tomatoes. Maybe I'm wrong.
So मिली का मुझे इतना पता है कि जो इस मूवी का वो रीमेक है उस it doesn't match up to that obviously.
ये जेरी वाली भी जिस फिल्म का रीमेक है वो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी है,
हाँ.
but this is also decent.
भाई Ruhi has 9%.
हाँ, Ruhi was bad. Ruhi was so bad कि उन लोगों ने उसको यूनिवर्स में नहीं इंक्लूड किया. मैडॉक की तो है
Maddox,
Ruhi.
हाँ.
Yeah, but Good Luck Jerry is 5.5 on IMDb.
तूने जाके उसको
कुछ भी
डाउनलोड
देख लो,
किया
कुछ भी देख लो भाई, कुछ भी. So I'm saying like, dude, anything that I've seen.
so she should retire.
हाँ, like she
Bro,
should do better.
that-
Is the
it's just
statement.
a fun way of saying that I hate her as an actress and I don't want to see her and stuff. Is that too much for you guys to wrap your head around? What is the matter with you guys? Okay.
Wait, you didn't tell us who should
retire.
retire.
कौन retire?
यार रिटायरमेंट से ज्यादा आई थिंक विद ऑल द थ्री खान्स आई वुड वांट कि दे टेक अप रोल्स ऑफ लाइक व्हिच
भाई
फिट्स देयर
रिटायर पूछा है तो रिटायर
I
बोल,
guess.
ठीक है? तो ये अपना
I
एक्स्ट्रा.
think शाहरुख and
extra
Amir
curricular
are. No?
activities.
Amir, okay. little
He's
up and
not.
down.
He's clearly not.
But he's definitely still trying. Like and
He's
trying-
not. Actually,
Like,
Amir
Sitare is better than.
Dude, I feel Ajay Devgan and Salman are sleepwalking through the roles. Please check your
Ajay Devgan and
eyes.
Salman.
No, bro. Not Ajay.
Ajay Devgan.
Dude, Ajay Devgan in.
If he
Guys,
wants to
do you want me to talk about fucking Singham again? Because
have
the
you seen
entire
Shaitan?
movie. Yeah, Shaitan is good. But Singham is the biggest franchise ever. So that's the entire movie. His eyes are half closed, like
apparently
he's half drunk or
really
something.
good in Maidan also. People are saying he should have been nominated for a Filmfare Award.
Yeah, but which
So
was,
then, that means you don't like Singham.
yeah, I
Don't
don't like
put it on
Singham.
Ajay Devgan.
Yeah, but there are movies where the person is sleepwalking.
So then it's the movie's problem, not the actors.
And
Rohit Shetty से stop directing.
एक पिक्चर में अगर उसने गंदा काम किया तो आप उसको ये मत बोलो ना कि रिटायर ही हो जाए. ये कैसी बातें कर रहे हो
Guys,
आप?
I only work in extremes.
Like
I don't do.
I get when you say Salman Khan because उसकी recent 5-6-7 फिल्में जो हैं जो जितनी भी हैं they have not been up to the mark. I totally get that when you say कि either put in effort or retire. I completely get that.
You also get when I say Janhvi Kapoor shouldn't work. Of course, I get it.
I also
Okay.
think Anupam Kher should retire.
Bro,
मेरे गुरुजी हैं वो. मेरे गुरुजी के बारे में मैं कैसे बोल दूं?
यार गुरु को भी कभी ना कभी तो रिटायर होना ही पड़ता है ना.
bro,
सिखाए,
can I name a
सिखाए.
director that should retire?
Yeah,
Bro,
Ram.
Agnihotri.
Yeah, okay.
One can wish. But you know he won't because
I
this is the most
swear.
financially viable graph of his career. So yeah. Now can we mention the ones we want to do well?
Oh yeah. वो भी करना
भाई
है.
मुझे लगता है
यार हेटर आदमी है.
अंतरिक्ष सिर्फ हेट करने के लिए बैठता है इस पॉडकास्ट
I
पे.
love hating on people. It's so
जिस
fun.
दिन ये फटा ना
Yeah.
जिस दिन ये फटा ना
I'm gonna
पॉडकास्ट
get a lot of hate. For sure.
No, I really want Ishan Khattar to do well. I think he's.
I think
really
Ishan
good.
gonna do.
विशाल जेठवा.
Vishal
I
Jetwa is
really
also
like
good.
Ishan
Yeah,
Khattar as
yeah.
well. I want to do well.
Yeah.
I can't stop.
प्रतिभा रांटा.
Yeah, I can't stop always rooting for Rajkumar Rao, bro.
अरे
Whatever
he's
he does.
big और
Bro, he's
कितना big
और
होगा
कितना
वो.
सक्सीड
भाई
करेगा.
But like some-
कैंपेन वाले वीडियो में है भाई वो.
Correct. But what I'm saying is his last few films, other than Sri 2, have not worked financially as well.
That's true, but he's still a viable commodity. Like
Yeah, then great. He's doing well.
Bro, viable
Sasi
commodity तो सलमान भी है. अब उसको भी बोले ना रिटायर होने के लिए.
बोल तो रहा हूँ हो जाए रिटायर.
अच्छा आप कह रहे हो राजकुमार राव रिटायर हो जाए?
नहीं बट वो ऐसे सक्सेसफुल बने और कितना सक्सेसफुल है तो
Okay, so
सक्सेसफुल.
then someone who's not successful is what I'm saying.
Not as successful right now.
गुलशन दे
Dude,
भैया.
Sania Malhotra is great.
गुलशन.
सानिया मल्होत्रा.
अब बे अब ए लिस्टर
Like, yeah, okay, I get what you mean.
Okay. Amir Khan.
Okay, I think episode खत्म करने का time आ गया guys. You named 2-3 names. Huh?
Bro, the newcomers, dude. Sparsh Srivastav. I think big
Yeah,
things.
great.
I'm also excited to watch what Raghav Juyal comes up with.
Also, I'm quite excited to. I hope they
Even
work well.
Anit Padda I think is good. She should also be big.
Yeah, I guess.
Dude, also, who played Laksha's manager, Anya Singh?
Oh yeah, she's the I think
In
she's the
Bats.
same girl जो वो है स्त्री 2 में जो वो नहीं बनती सोजा चिट्टी the अपार शक्ति खुराना's girlfriend.
Yes, you're right. You're
I
exactly
think
right.
she's the same girl.
I think you're right. I think
Yeah.
you're right.
सोजा चिट्टी.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
So yeah,
you're right.
quite a few people we would like
Okay.
to do well.
Cool. And us.
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
I hope
please.
I hope we
Ah.
succeed at some point ever. All right, guys. Thank you so
Not
much.
if,
for
not
tuning
if you keep shitting on Boni.
I
Kapoor's
swear,
daughter.
bro.
in. Bro, I'm sure, dude. You know for a fact that Janhvi Kapoor is hated, right?
Arey, whatever.
Like in the sense, you know that if you don't defend her, okay, it's not like we're gonna get hate. Oh, stop hating.
No,
on
it's not
Janhvi.
about that. I'm just
Yeah.
saying कि
So
ऐसा
like, I don't understand how you guys can like her when she's so dislikable
like recently all her films have not been good,
or
but
unlikable.
unlikable.
No, I don't think she's unlikable.
Yeah.
I think she's extremely unlikable, dude. Like anything she does, I get pissed at. I'm that kind of a person, man. I'm petty.
Okay,
Or-
tomorrow you get a call from her manager that she wants to be on our podcast.
Click.
What the fuck?
तुम फोन काट दोगे?
Huh?
If she wants to be on our podcast and they want to and she wants to talk about
That we get her on.
5 and she wants to talk about 5 of her films, what will you do?
I'll talk about the films I've not seen because the ones I've seen, I cannot say anything positive about.
Wow, okay then.
I don't know, man.
On that negative note.
I swear.
As always. Yeah.
ठीक है.
Thanks for sending all the questions. जो रह गए हैं, we'll try and answer them some other time. We'll try and make this a regular-ish
हाँ,
thing
भेजते रहा करो यार
every
AMS.
3-4 months. So we can answer as many of your questions as you send us. And do we want to give out an email ID where they can send questions? If
Yeah,
they want?
that's filmycolada@gmail.com, filmolada@gmail.com.
Yes. Any plugs, guys, before we end?
We forgot to say that please join the membership of this channel if
Yes.
you
Hype
haven't
the
yet.
video.
Yeah, hype the video.
हाँ भाई, ये hype
And,
वाला
that
चीज
like
तो मेरे को
button.
पता ही नहीं था bro.
Hit
We-
that like, subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, we
Yes.
have perks for members coming very
Bro,
soon.
they are already there.
They're already there.
हम लोग free movie tickets दे रहे हैं, हम लोग extra episodes बना
Extra
रहे हैं.
episodes are coming soon. The
Yes.
perks have already started. We're giving away movie tickets, so and you get a chance to feature on the
Feature on the episode.
if you win also.
Last episode पे जननी का feature हुआ होगा, आपने देखा होगा. कैसे कटे दिन रात.
Speaking of रात, बहुत रात हो चुकी है, so
Bro, हाँ 2 बज
अब
गए.
दिन होने को है.
plugs from my end. Go to the comment section YouTube page. You can check out me interviewing a lot of celebrities there,
Yes.
and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's by my name, Abbas Momin. Snehil, do you have anything?
Please subscribe to this channel. बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. Please take memberships if you like.
Yes.
And hype, please hype.
Please
that's
check
it.
out That Filmy Game Show on my YouTube channel, the Antariksh Takkar. Please follow that channel. Check out the recent episode we posted with Srija Chaturvedi and Aman Jotwani. Very fun episode.
Cool. We'll see you
That's
next
it,
week.
that's it.
And we're doing a live recording of That Filmy Game Show pretty soon. Hopefully when this episode comes out, it's still a couple of days away. We'll be doing one next week also, so like come for that. Just basically search for That Filmy Game
Just
Show.
follow
yeah.
Antariksh on his social media
Yes.
handles, and you will
A lot of
know.
people don't do that, so just book my show by search kar lo yaar, That Filmy Game Show.
Okay,
Nice,
cool.
nice.
Thank you so much for joining us. We will see you next week or in coming weeks. Till
Hey,
then,
coming weeks,
We'll
I
see you
swear.
when we see you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.